Yo, coming live to the trade line, baby.
Thought you said hi.
Oh, so you telling me what up? No, it's good. It's good. We live right now, baby. We coming to the market, hot, fresh, ready for a new fucking day. It's a little rainy outside here in Chicago. I don't know where the fuck you guys are, but hopefully it's not raining as bad as it is here. Let me tell you that. If you guys remember last night, we bought, what did we buy last night, B? 80, what was this shit? ADVM, Adverum Biotech, ADVM. That's what we bought last night. Let's take a look at it. ADVM, that's right. The reason why we bought it is because it had an uncharacteristic drop during after hours, man. After hours, like 50%. Something terrible, right? Yeah. So the reason why is because that they have this I believe it's an eye medication. I'm trying to look for the exact name of it. That way it's more quotable, right? Fuck.
There we go.
Biogen's Care. What you got, B? You got a bag there?
It says an unsuspected serious adverse reaction of hypothalamic.
Yeah, SASA, right?
Yeah, in its Infinity clinical trial evaluating gene therapy treatment of a diabetic molecular edema.
Yeah, then that's what happened. And somebody lost permanent vision in their eye. I don't know if it was the left or the right eye, but one of the studies, the test participants lost permanent vision in their left eye. Terrible news. However, the company is a solid company. They're not, I wouldn't say like the most solid company, right? But they're less stanky than Pfizer. Let's put it that way. So we basically decided to buy some of this stock because it was uncharacteristically low, with the idea that if this thing pops even remotely near to where it was, we're going to regain our value. We've had a lot of luck with this in the past. We've done it with Mesoblast. More recently, Vaxart, VXRT. That dropped considerably. It's up now, man. Pre-market VXRT is banging it out, $9.85, $10 in pre-market just a second ago. It's going to eclipse that again. I mean, look at this. How much weight is over the VWAP? Plus this 980, what is it, 987? Dude, this is going to hit $10 again, B.
Yeah,
There's no fucking way.
Trailing
no
right
way.
Up under the 20-day moving average, which is a good sign.
That's a great design. You said the 20-day?
Yep, the 20-day moving
Dude,
average.
20-day moving average in combination with the VWAP is fucking legendary, man. Legendary. It's honestly one of the stronger combinations of indicators that you can use, in my opinion. I mean, a lot of people like to use the MACD. MACD's all right. I like it. It's a little bit too lagging for me. It shows you shit that you could have been like, oh man, this would have been a nice call to make. But it's always like after the fact that it was a nice call to make. Yeah, right. RSI is the key too. RSI is nice. It shows you it's a very, very strong volume indicator. But for day trading, dude, you cannot beat the VWAP. Cannot. You got to get that extremely, very unusually wet ass pussy. That's the VWAP. That's what it stands for. But
yeah, very wet.
Very extremely wet. Nothing you can do is so wet. You drowning in the pussy. That's how wet it is.
So now pre-market is up. Well, futures pre-market, Nasdaq, the Dow sitting at.
We're roasting a little packs here, if you guys can see that.
Points, and the Nasdaq is sitting at above 1%. So,
Yep.
So far, we got a green day.
It's looking like it. I really like this advancer decliner list, man. It's a really nice way to keep track of kind of how the market's doing. I feel like these other, like index charts similar to like NASDAQ, the Dow Jones, S&P, like those are a little. I mean, in the NASDAQ, the problem is the way it's configured is not necessarily representative of the entire market as a whole. Not only the entire market, but the entire NASDAQ as a whole. It's not representative of it. So I think it's a nice mix to kind of have these advances and decliners. You can see like where things are going. You can see just a better range.
Actually, you can really track your tech stocks with the NASDAQ.
Yeah, the NASDAQ is good for the tech stocks. Honestly, we've been trading a lot of those Russell 2Ks lately, so that's been the indicator to watch. The Russell 2K has been down. I mean, who the fuck hasn't been trading the Russell 2Ks if you're trying to make money, right? A lot of these big boys probably don't. I don't fuck with those micro cap stocks, those little bitches. But you know what? They're okay with 30% a year, all right? I don't have enough fucking money to live off 30% of that a year, right? I have to have millions of dollars. Not even. They don't even want 30%, to be honest with you. They would love it. But fuck, a lot of these ETFs, a lot of these big fund managers. Yeah. Oh my God. We love it, dude. We love it. I got one of my boys watching the stream, dude. He's a teacher. He said he had a
teach on.
Yeah.
That's the teacher.
He said he, we love our teachers, first of all, but he said he had to mute me, unfortunately, because he can't have his class hearing about the VWAP. And I told him it was educational. So listen, one day or another, they're going to learn about extremely wet-ass pussy at some point, right? Like, you can't hide that from the kids forever, especially when you got music videos by the Cardigan Backyardigan, a.k.a. Cardi B. So... Ooh, GRTX.
So apparently we have a chip shortage, and
yeah, there's been a chip shortage, right?
Yeah.
Let's check out the Weeble. What do we got?
Ford had to shut down some of their production.
Man, I'm getting my ass eaten up on this ADVM, bro. 441.
How much you down?
Small, down $130.
Oh, well, that's not good.
It's not
You'd
bad.
rather be down $130 than $2,200.
I only took a small position. I only bought like $1,700 worth. Because I knew I like the risk. I like seeing something that goes down that's gonna recoil. But also, here's the thing: if 50% of the value was lost in a single day or more, I don't expect it to regain even half of that in the next day or next week even. I mean, unless it's like a fluke, like the market was just spooked and the entire market dipped. Like what we kind of had last week. Remember when we saw that solid line across the NASDAQ, Dow Jones, all those indicators, and it just dropped. But it's all right, man. We're going to switch over to bar chart. Let's see this is what we're looking at for the morning here. This is where we start. This is like the home base. That's what we like to see. We have the GRTX Galera Therapeutics, man. I think that one is that one's gonna be a banger. It already is a banger. It's moving up $3 in pre-market. Let's see why. Let's figure that out. Let's kind of determine what the maximum value here is. Let's see any news. Okay, I mean, it's like a data update on pancreatic cancer trial. So that's, I think what happened though is because the typical volume here is like, I'm not even looking at Weeble, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, it's
typical volume here is 73,000, man. 73K over a 3-month period, right? So that's at low. So it's got 2.6 million actually volume right now, which is like obviously leading to this price. Weeble does this thing. I don't know if you guys ever see this. You see this chart? How fucking... Okay, now this is GRTX chart. Previously, it'll show you a chart that was not your chart. You know what I'm saying? Like the previous stock chart. I don't know. It's fucked up. I can't be the only one who knows it. Dude, Facebook kept boogieing it out, man.
I know. They were up in pre-market this morning.
They still are. It's 3:30.
And
they're doing pretty well.
That's a conglomerate giant. So with Facebook, they beat all their last earnings. So I wasn't surprised Facebook wasn't going to pop it off. I knew. No,
that's Facebook. Facebook is a big boy, man. They had to beat their earnings. Like you saw the last 4 quarters of earnings, man. They were green, beating them. Like there's no way they're not going to do it a fucking 5th quarter in a row. You know, they're big dogs. Bitcoin is not doing too hot. Here, the most favoritist of everyone's fucking coin, the Dogito, the doggy. I always hear it pronounced Dodge. I always hear it pronounced doggy. I always hear it pronounced Doji.
And they're off.
And that's it, right there. But do you want to know the official pronunciation of the term? Actually, I looked it up. And I looked it up through multiple sources, not just one. Most notably, though, Know Your Meme, because it started as the Doge meme, let's be honest. So it's a meme stock, so you got to pay homage to the original meme. But it is pronounced Doge. Doge, 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 like dojo, but with a zh more so at the end. And that's the official Doge pronunciation. So you can keep saying Dodge or Doggy or whatever the fuck you want to say, but just know that you're going to be mispronouncing it. What we got here? We got a working order still. Oh, B, that's right. I put in an order last night for skill. No, for skills. I put in a complex order. Not yet. We got to check this shit out, bro. Skills going up. Fuck, it's going up, man.
Of course. It's the Kathy Woodstock.
I know. Come on, Kathy. Drop that shit out the ass for me. So look at this. I have a little bit of a complex order going on here. It's not that complex. I just have a stop loss and take profit.
It's a Kathy Woodstock, dude.
Kathy Wood, that's right. She, the woman, the person, the human being.
God.
What are you looking at?
Well, I'm up $700 in one of my options.
Hell yeah. Which one? Is this a skill?
CERC.
Oh, Cercor, right?
Yeah.
They're a great company, dude. They're a great company.
$700.
When did you buy that one?
Yesterday.
Yesterday? Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Where did you get tipped on that one?
Actually, it was on my screener.
Sir, dude, that's a good one. I made some money off the equities in that one a few months ago.
Yeah,
I had a lot of high hopes for it, but after this big market shit that happened recently...
Dude, you sitting on a ton of money right now. I already know. Don't let them fool you.
Oh, my God.
I had to put your business out there.
Yeah, it's
I had
all right.
to do it to you.
It's all right. We're doing all right.
That's from not going to work.
Yeah, we're trading with modest accounts here. We have a few different accounts, right? I think everybody should have multiple accounts.
Yeah,
Webull,
it's called
Thinkorswim, Robinhood, Schwab. These guys use Vanguard. I don't use Vanguard because it's shit. And if Vanguard, you're listening to me, I'm not saying fuck you, but I'm saying fuck your app. Your app is terrible. It looks like a bunch of 70-year-old men. Old guys, old white men just created this.
Hey, I'm 50 and I trade on Vanguard.
Well, you're not fucking 70, okay? So.
Yeah, I love it, dude. It's for old people like me, man. You know, we move slow. Vanguard lags 20 minutes behind.
Not that slow. Look.
Vanguard lags 20 minutes behind, and I gotta drink my coffee. Take my Geritol.
I don't know
like that.
how much the camera can catch back there. Maybe I need to get a zoom feature. But this dude he's 50 years old and he's jacked. All right, don't listen to him. Don't let him tell you he's slow. He might have slow bowels, but he motherfucker ain't slow.
Yeah, but I have to do what I gotta do, man.
Yeah.
I just made a ton of money. I guess I don't know.
That's right. That's what our goal is here. Our goal is to never work another day in our lives and instead just trade and enjoy it, you know? And I mean, it's going to be hell at some point. You're not always going to have good days, which should go without saying. For the last month and a half, we've had probably like 5 good days, 4 good days. Not I'm talking market as a whole, but like us personally as a whole, comparatively to what it was. But you know what we did? We sold a lot of our shit because we mitigate our losses so they don't just keep going. Like, what are you going to do? You know the age-old adage, right? Ride your losses to the fucking bottom, right? Nobody, get out of here. We're not doing that. We're selling our shit, man. Otherwise,
it's called ride or die.
They say, I call myself paper hands, man. And the key to that is this whole diamond hands, these hard hands. It's like, how long are you going to wait to make money? There's a limited time, right? Like if I told you could have $1 million tomorrow, that's going to be more valuable than I tell you if you can have $1 million in 10 years, right? You're not going to want $100,000 a fucking year versus $1 million a day. You're not going to look at it the same way. The time to money is the most important part. Guess why? We don't live forever like hedge funds or any of these funds. We have a lifespan. We're human beings. So you got to make that motherfucking money quick, okay?
Quick, fast.
Hey, Ice Mountain, if you want to sponsor the stream, dude, that would be nice. I drink a lot of fucking water, so. Hit me up. Okay, but we're watching skills here. I have a limit set for 1570. Will it get that? I mean, that's a low one, man. That's a cheap. I gotta think of a word here for cheap. That's like unique, right? There's so many different terms for it you could use. Many of them I don't want to use. Specifically, though, one I do want to use. You know, open P&L. Ooh, I'm getting eating up on this ADVM here, bro. It's okay. Let it ride. I got it. Where did I get it? 76, I believe.
It'll pop back up. Trust me.
Trade details. Yep, 76.9. I don't know why that was the case. They threw that little extra 9 in there, but you know. Oof. 585 and afters. Dude, I should have fucking sold it then, man, because I bought it back here. Wow. At 585, that's all right. Let's see what kind of resistance or support that has, rather. Oof. Yikes, that's so scary to look at right there. Let's go with the analysts. 11 analyst recommendations. I know you can't see that because my screen is over it, but check it out. 11 analyst recommendations. You know, like, doesn't really mean shit, right? This is who I don't even know who the fuck these analysts are. And the average price, like, wow. Let me check this. Corporate actions didn't have any splits, did it? No. Okay. I don't know, dude. I think this is gonna get to 5 again, and I think it's gonna do it relatively quickly. It did it in after hours. That would have been a scalp even in the afters, man. I could have made $1 and what?
Almost there. 80.
ADVM hit 585. I think this is pre-market. Let's see what time it is. Oh, it's fucking pre-market, man. Today is the 29th. Today is the 29th. Yeah, it hit it pre-market. 5 in the morning, brother. 5 in the morning.
No, you should be in profit in skills.
No, I don't own the skills yet, man. Trying to acquire it at a low price. That's what I'm saying. It's 19. I'm trying to acquire it at 15. Oh my god, dude!
Right now.
Jesus Christ! I'm never gonna get it at 15 at this rate. The hell is happening?
People are taking a run on it now.
The hell is happening right now, dude?
Skills is on another
Dude, this is, I know, it's shaping up to be a banger, man. That $46 high is nice. I'm just telling you, with the income, I just can't, aside from Kathy Woods owning it and, like, the potential for it to become larger, because, like, Skills is nice, right, as opposed to Zynga or Glue, these Glue Mobile, Zynga Mobile. Oh, even what was that other shitty one we were looking at that makes Angry Birds? I don't know. Who gives a shit? Fuck them. They're tiny as stock. But we were looking at these companies, and these companies make games, right? And this company, Skills, does not. What they do is they provide a marketplace for game makers to put their games and thus monetize their games.
My very
fucking cool.
8-ball pool game. I love it.
8-ball. That was the other one. That was mini clips, or I don't know.
I love that game,
clips.
dude. I love it.
Mini clips sounds like a fucking back alley porn site they used to operate from like the early 2000s. I guess technically we're still in the early 2000s if you look at them as a whole. You know, until 3000, we're only 21 into it. But I mean the real early 2000s. Yikes, dude. See, I would have even almost sold this shit already. That's why I was trying to scoop it at. I figured if it was going to go the opposite direction. Doesn't matter. It's okay. Sometimes you don't get the orders filled.
No, that's the best. That's actually the worst part about doing limit orders.
Yeah, they don't get filled. It is the worst part about doing limit orders because sometimes you set a price, it never reaches that price, it doesn't fill. That's why market orders are nice. I've seen it where it gets
down to the order you want, close to it by a penny, and then your order shoots right back up.
Yeah.
And you're sitting there laying in the dust.
Oh, man. Yeah, let's see.
Battery stay, would you? I've always wanted to make it. I love Mr. Rogers. Just like you. I've always wanted to live in a way.
I did buy it in my second one, apparently.
With you, so.
Dude, what the fuck is this? This is terrible. Like, I can't figure this out. Chris, look at my Thinkorswim. You see what this says? Being lost in a day? $1,800.
How? That's ADVL?
Yeah, but here's the thing: is I bought it trade price at $477. So I don't understand that it says net liquidation is that. So I should have really only lost that. See what I'm saying? I don't understand it showing me like my P&L on the day is like more than my fucking cost. Even I didn't even spend that much on the stocks. I don't know, man. Maybe it's a little fucking glitch.
It's a glitch in the matrix, man.
It's fucking something, but I don't know what. But I'm not a fan.
A glitch in the matrix.
Not a fan. I gotta say, guys, not a fan. I don't know what happened, man. I can't explain it. Here's what we're gonna do, though. We're gonna fucking
Hey, me don't mind. I'm doing the technicals.
You got technical analysis back in. We're gonna do a screenshot of it, though. That way we can monitor this shit.
Yeah, because that don't look kosher.
Definitely doesn't look kosher. But whatever, fuck it. I'm still gonna trade on Thinkorswim. We're not gonna hate on you for that for too long.
Thinkorswim. I love Thinkorswim.
All right, what do we got over here? Dude, this ADVM, I mean, is like, can it go even fucking lower? It's drop below $3-4, man.
I'm gambling $2 out of it. I think it'll hit $2.
You think $2 this thing is gonna hit?
Yeah, dude.
Fucking.
Anytime you go blind, man. Yeah, $2.
I hope it doesn't. Jesus Christ. That shit hits $2, we are fucked. I mean, we're not fucked, but we'll just buy more, dilute our position.
Back to Dogecoin you were just talking about.
What happened? Long-time Dogecoin developer Sporkland dies. Oh yeah, I was reading that yesterday. She died.
Cancer.
It said she was a real. Yeah, I was there. She had like I forget what kind of cancer she had, but she yeah, they gave like a little candlelight vigil for her with a Dogecoin dog as the face. It was hilarious. I mean, it's not hilarious that she died, but it was hilarious that you know what they did. I don't understand this fucking P&L, bro. What's happening?
There we go.
Maybe because I bought it like after post market. Like I don't understand.
The market is looking tremendous, all because of Biden's speech.
Yeah, man.
You got to hand it to Biden for that one.
The market is looking good, I will say.
Yeah.
It looks pretty nice. I don't want to look at the screeners. All right, what do we got here, man? What do we got for these gainers? Let's bar chart it. Let's see if there's anything worthy of scalping. Dude, Vaxxer, it's fucking banging, bro. You saw this stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good. Look at it. Oh my God, that's ridiculous.
I wouldn't sell it yet if I were him, dude. I think it's got more potential to go up. It's got a really nice, like...
You already know what I'm about to log on to.
It's got a really nice... Yeah, Vanguard, right.
Vanguard.
The
old man's account.
Yeah, you saw... Yeah, they don't give you real-time updates, man.
So if you ever want to travel back in time, go to Vanguard.
Yeah, right. You don't want to know what the price is. You want to know what the price was? Use Vanguard.
Yeah. Makes your mood happier.
Takes some years off your life is what it does. Yeah, Nokia's banging it out. Not much, though, to be honest with you. I'm not really impressed by Nokia. Let's take a look at their...
They beat their earnings.
Yeah, how much did they beat their earnings?
Oh, my God, they blew it out the water.
Did they?
Yes, they did.
People are like, do you still make phones? That's the question. Because that's kind of the question that I'm having, you know?
It's their 5G, man. 5G.
Joins forces with Qualcomm.
the stuff that is apparently supposed to be giving us cancer.
Yeah, that's what they said, I think. In the beginning, right? That's what they were saying. I mean, maybe, dude. Maybe we'll find out in 5 years. We'll be like, ooh, you know what? 6G is much better than 5G. Nobody's getting cancer this time around. They're like, but their penises are shrinking. I don't understand what's happening. Which arguably might be worse, dude. Radiation therapy can kill the cancer. Can't grow the penis back.
Oh no. Oh no.
Okay. Some big revenue from these boys, dude. $6.12 billion Nokia made. $6.12 billion Nokia made. Good. I literally, I know this sounds stupid, but like, what products do they even have? Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna switch this shit. Come on, Nokia. Show us the gravy, baby. Show us the goal. Oh, that's nice. What do you guys got?
5G
See?
at its best.
There we go. That's probably the vast majority of their income right here. Partners, ecosystem, solutions for industry, all this shit. But let's, just for shits and giggles, let's check out their fucking phones, because like, that's how I know them. It's my first phone when I was 15 years old. Was wow, dude. I got that phone half my life ago.
I got my first Nokia phone, 1993.
93. This guy says 93. Everyone hear that?
93.
93. I don't know who he had to call in 93, but he was doing it on a Nokia. Oh, here's their phone. There you go. 200. This is like the cheapest phones in the history of mankind. They're rather the slowest processor, worst camera, everything. But, alright, who cares? You don't give that much of a shit about Nokia anymore. Let's go back to the gravy, baby. Back to the gravy. What do we got? What do we got? You at Market Watch.
Market Watch? One of my favorite ones.
Yep. U.S. stock market futures pointing to gains in the wake of GDP data. What did you just call him, B, and tell him that?
Yeah. Look at that. NASDAQ, S&P 500, and the Dow.
Yeah, they're moving, dude. Even this, I'm telling you, these advancers are nicely outpacing the decliners easily. I mean, granted, most of them are getting caught up in the 0 to 2%, which is always how it is, especially in the morning. But they are nicely outpacing the decliners. 2,400 to 3,900. Yeah, I think if we can keep that momentum throughout the day, if we can keep at least a balance of like 3,600 advancers, that's a decent day. It's a decent fucking day. You love to see it's one that then when they just smash over, but what are you gonna do? Okay, let's see what's moving. That's what we need. The big movers.
The big movers.
Honestly, OCGN dropped off this list. That thing was rocking on that list. Let's check OCGN and see what's going on with that. I know the Reddit boys love this one. It's the same price. Then we sold this one at what, $11.98? I want to say OCGN.
Yeah.
I
made money
2 or
off
3
that.
days ago.
Yeah, I
Man.
made money off that company.
Yeah, of course. It's a pump and dumper. It's not a pump and dumper, but it's like a Reddit fucker, I think.
You think so?
Yeah, I think OCGN is in that group. I think it's not like a primary one. Like, I think GameStop obviously is like the stock, right? I don't know. How's this lighting in here? Is it too dim? I think it's a little dim. I might turn one of these bad boys on.
Yeah, I don't fare well in the dark, as you can see.
Yeah, you know I got dark features, man. It's hard to catch me. My expressions. Oh, all right. We're back, baby. Let's go. This Thinkorswim is tripping me out. I don't understand what the fuck is happening. Shows my P&L in the day is significantly higher. Dude, it's even going up. Like,
Still going up?
Yeah, I don't know what happened to it, man.
That's not good.
No, it's terrible.
That's not good.
It's not taking away account value. You know what I'm saying? My account value is only $200 lower than it was yesterday from that stock, right? If I factor everything in. So it's not actually lowering my account value. So I don't give that much of a shit. It's just an error on reporting on their side, basically. So OCGN doing nothing. Let's go back to these like top gainers, right? Or these most active by volume. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're checking. This FAMI. Motherfucker's down 60%. You check that one, Chris. That's an interesting boy right there.
What company is that again?
FAMI. It's called the Farmy. It's from China. Man, I was telling you, these fucking China stocks that pop out of nowhere, dude, they pump. What I think it is I think it's Chinese nationals, people who live, or from China, who live in the United States, right? And I think that they trade a lot of, just like us, they day trade a lot of like, just say the Americans are playing some of these Reddit stocks or some of these other stocks where they kind of pump and dump them more so. So I think people from China who trade on the American markets, either they live here, don't live here, whatever this case is, I think they play by that a little bit as well. So, man, this is going down, this ADVM. All right, what are we going to do here? So, I think I'm going to be forced to double down. I think there's nothing I can do. I think I have to, because otherwise I'm down 15% already on it since I bought it.
You are?
Yeah, it's terrible. I'm down a little bit over 70 cents. So I think I'm going to have to double down on it. You know, I bought this on a high risk, high call. We're testing out a theory here, man. Plus this 585. We could snack that again real soon, dude. I mean, if you think about it, it was only hours ago. Maybe someone else went fucking blind in between now and then from their company. Anyways, what was back to Farmy, dude? We're going to see what the hell's going on with this piece of shit stock. Little Chinese company, 88. Farmy is a China-based holding company. They're all fucking holding companies.
What are they holding?
They're shiitake mushrooms. Company produces and sells shiitake mushrooms, mule ear mushrooms, other edible fungi.
Magic mushrooms? What's so magical about mushrooms?
Well, if you take them, you'll find out.
Unless they're, Lucky Charms.
Yeah.
They're magically delicious.
That's true. That is true.
If you could beat that, hey, God bless you.
Let me point you over to Farmy's website here. Let's see.
Oh, wow. Those look nothing like Lucky Charms.
Nope. They're actual mushrooms, man. Actual mushrooms.
So those are the things that grow on the side of a tree.
Yeah.
Aren't those poisonous? I sound like an idiot, though.
Yeah, not these ones. These ones aren't poisonous.
They're not poisonous.
No, they're selling these ones for food. You know, the Chinese, they eat a lot of mushrooms. Anytime you go to like these shops in like Chinatown, Chicago, dude, there are mushrooms on lock there. They got a lot of them, a lot of different varieties. I give them a lot of credit. They have a diverse menu. Very diverse menu. Mushroom on pizza's banging, dude. Mushrooms on anything. Burgers. Oh, it's good. All right, let's go back. Let's figure this out. Let's get rid of this Farmy, dude. That's a hard no. 30 cents, down 60% today for a staggering market cap of $8 million. Just nothing. Absolutely nothing. Like, there's still... I can't even believe that they're listed. Not OTC, to be honest with you. Ford Motor Company is down 10% today, too. They missed their earnings or what?
They beat their earnings, but
they beat it?
But they're dumping.
Wow.
Because of the chip shortage. Semiconductors. The reason Tesla did good on their earnings, but they had a little small mix with the chip too. That's the same exact thing that's happening to Ford, GM, well, all the car companies.
I got you.
But that's weird though, when there's a huge chip shortage, but the stocks are booming.
Yeah, that's true.
Am I missing something here?
What's that?
I don't get why the check it out. By the way, this is Think or Swim. Oh, they're not booming now.
What is that?
NVIDIA, AMD, all these chip companies on. Well, they pop. They pop. I'm trying to figure out why Skills is taking a dump on me.
Yeah, dude, Skills is.
Yeah. How did you find that?
Just put space.
Oh, I didn't put space. See, when it comes to technology like that, man, I'm a Vanguard guy.
I'm the resident. Yeah, you're Vanguard. Vanguardian. Yeah, Vanguardian.
Yeah, there you go. Vanguardian. That is so. Oh, now I see why. Let's see how long this market, this Biden wave lasts.
Yeah, let's let riding with Biden, baby. Dude, how many waters do I got here? Jesus Christ.
Let's see.
Oof. Oof. ADVM below $4, brother.
Look at that.
That's right. Terrible. Should have been watching it at 5 in the morning this morning. Or I should have set a fucking limit order actually when I bought it.
Oh, it's at $3.98 now.
I don't know, I see it. $3.99. Terrible.
This would be a good scoop if it hits $3.50. Or I would hate to say it.
Nasdaq's not looking pretty though either. It looks like it's.
Yeah, it's starting. The Biden effect
You know
is wearing
what?
off.
It's gonna hit back up. The Biden effect, man. What did he? I watched whatever he was talking about yesterday. I didn't watch all of it, obviously, but I watched like some portions of it when I was cooking dinner. It was largely like buzzword after buzzword after buzzword word salad, right? It was just continuous. I don't even know what the fuck he was saying. Yeah, he was like, "We need to do better. It's we the people, not us." I'm like, all right, I don't know what you're talking about, but
He probably uses Vanguard.
Biden, he probably calls a broker still. You gotta take 2,000 shares of Ford Motor Company. He's like, you can just say Ford, man. We all know it. He's like, no, I like to pronounce the legal name, the government name. He's probably got some high risk investments too, right?
Of course.
Fucking Biden. He's like, what's the worst that's gonna happen, dude? He'll just like sneak out some money somewhere else.
I can see that happening.
Yeah, why not, dude? I think everybody, all the politicians, listen, everybody knows in this country that the politicians are dirty, especially being from Chicago, one of the most fucking corrupt cities there is in this country.
Former mayor was Mayor Daley.
We all know that, and it's like we all just like live with that. We're just like, oh, what are you gonna do,
I'm
man?
gonna be honest with you. I'm kind of proud that Mayor Daley was our mayor.
Yeah, him and his son. He was like, it's a family business here in Chicago, being the mayor. But that's what I'm saying is like, it's like everybody knows that it's happening, but not many people are actually. Ooh, this is a nice little range here on clove. To be honest with you, it just hit 1067 from 1177 this morning. So let's see what kind of resistance it's got in that 1170 mark. Let's go back a little bit further, All right, that's a little too far, but this way at least, what can we do? Now we know where we gotta stick to.
So everyone knows we're talking some of our favorite companies. That's why you hear us repeat them so much.
Yeah, we'll talk about it.
Companies we usually talk about, the ones that we invest in, that we know the range, the price range, and we 9 times out of 10 we know when they're about to pop. You know, pre-market, post-market, and when the market opens.
That's true. We keep a hawk's eye on them.
Because if that company drops $5, $10, we already know if we hop in on an option, a call option, or just regular equity, we already know we're going to get the $10 back automatically. So that's a quick in and out entry of maybe $2,500.
What's up, Kyle?
$1,800 or $3,000.
Welcome to the chat, my friend. Kyle Aitken, right? Is that what it says? I like your picture. It looks like a little doji. Yeah. Dude, micro vision, baby. Popping down 10%. A solid 10%. Kyle, how you doing today? Let us know in the chat, man.
Gas station man.
Let us know. Let us know what the scoop is.
Actually, I just got off the phone with him. He's at home, shower.
MVIS, baby. This is a good scoop. Could be a little bit lower. Let's see. Ooh, 1826.
Oh, no, the one we have in our...
Let's set up some of this resistance here,
Did you look
baby.
at your
Some of the
portfolio?
support. 1880. 1930. That's where I would set the hard line of support, and it fucking broke, man. It broke right through that. So if that's the case, we have to set a new one. But this temp one is going to be terrible. That's what I'm saying. Maybe here 17, like low 17s, low 17s. Let's put some marks in there. Where can we get this 17 from again? 1889. See, it's already below that, man.
You bought it? Don't buy it, dude. I looked on Yahoo Finance. The reason they dropped from 10 to $4 is because they gave a drug, a trial drug to one of their patients. They went blind. And
Talking to ADVM, telling me you should buy that shit below 4 if he buys it. We got fucked. Not too bad. I'm only losing $250. It's not bad. Small position I took in it. This is my Weeble account. My Weeble account's not the daddy account. This one's got like five fucking K in it. It only started with the K though, so 1,000. Just to literally to test this app. Everybody heard one of my friends was talking about it. I'm like, fuck it. I put $1,000 into it. Let me see how worthy it is. Let's see if I can make some moves. And we got to, what's our P&L? $4,700. So it's not bad.
ADVM, right?
We were at 5 earlier before I bought this piece of shit ADVM, man. We got killed, brother. Oh, man. All right, let's go back to these gainers, these volume movers.
This is horrible. Head for the hills.
You talking ADVM?
Yeah.
Yeah, ADVM.
They caught up with it. Yeah.
It's not looking that hot right now, to be honest. But you know what? Everything's got to bounce back. Unless somebody dies from it, but...
Yeah, he did. Yeah, Biden was talking about it, but yeah.
Alright, let's see what we got.
The market started to take a small
This GRTX, man. Always banging it. Always banging it.
It took a dump. It's at 18.
Change this to the 1 day. Theory, man. I can't believe that this is up this much. It's so hard for me to invest in a REIT stock right now.
That's what I told you.
Especially because they don't typically move that much. I don't know.
I said to do an option.
What the reason behind this momentum is on this, but
actually, let me look right now. Hold on.
Let's see what we got here. Realty Income agrees to buy V REITs. That's why V REIT's a big company too. So these boys must be an even bigger company.
The one I was using when I was buying.
Ooh, do the Tosa. Tosa was a good one. I don't know if anybody's played this one. Any of you guys played this? Kyle in the chat. I don't know if you played this at all or not, man. But
a call 19 call.
Tosa was a good one. We bought it. Really low in the low 2s, maybe high 1s, and I sold it. I want to say in the 5s. I dipped it to the 5 real quick. Back here, let's go.
Yep. About 2 contracts.
498. So maybe it wasn't 5. Maybe it was close though. Dangerously close. 52-week high is 508. So it was right up there. But we bought it right back here, and it had this meteoric rise. The beginning of the year, just like a lot of these biotech stocks did.
Oh, yesterday it was at like 19. Hold on, 19 freaking. The high yesterday was.
Man, look at this ribbed Rice Brand Technology, man. This company got fucked.
Let's see.
It's reasonable why I got fucked though. I don't think they're like I don't think they're actually like
a high of 1935.
a super high value company with this 140 here. That's a nice range though.
No, that was the high from yesterday. The 2-week high.
I don't know. Fuck these analyst ratings. What do we got in terms of profile? Let's see what they do, man.
I know. I'm about
Rice Brand Technologies, nutrition by nature.
I'm about to say the same call I got.
Literally rice.
By the same one.
Yeah, I didn't necessarily think it wasn't, but
call, strike price.
Okay. Well,
don't change. My goal is gambling that it hit 19.
I don't know what that shit is. Let's check this fucking income out though on this company, because I've seen this one on this top gainer list multiple times throughout the last,
that's what you're gambling that is when
I don't know, a couple of months. You know, maybe like 6 months, 5 months. So
go ahead.
Total revenue is pretty low for the year, 26 million, up 10%, which, I mean, they're showing some consistent growth.
Oh, which one you looking at?
Their market cap is basically nothing, you know, 50 million. So it's a little bit of a risky company.
I hit the
for
ass.
sure. Pass.
On Thinkorswim is 210.
Hard pass.
Strike price 19, May 21st.
I mean, the market's good. It's looking good. It's just nothing is like that sexy to me. I don't see anything. Let's go back to bar chart, dude. We're gonna take a look at the decliners. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna look at down
caught
shit.
Up with, sorry about that. ADVM.
Okay. So what does it say? On trade, you're looking at Trading View.
Yeah, look at it now. Head for the hills.
Then
He said he almost bought it.
I got it in 2 accounts. I can't believe it. I'm an idiot. I thought I only got it on 1. That was the problem.
Maybe if Biden would have mentioned their names.
Hopefully he would have been like, "Hey, man, please buy this stock."
Simple mistake. They just made someone blind by mistake.
ADVM, top of the list, baby. So I mean, honestly, how much lower can it go from here? That's the real question. Yeah, right. It can probably go a lot fucking lower from here. Let's check out. Let's go back to Weeble. All right. Good shit. Market cap 400 million. That's not bad. So I guess their market cap was probably a little bit over. It was like near $1 billion before they lost half of their market cap. Yeah, that's.
God bless them.
Yeehaw, cowboy. Let's see what else they got. Let's see analyst rating. They're like $0.
They should be filing for bankruptcy tonight.
Oh, dude, they'll be all right. They're just gonna. So it was like, what did this news say? Let's see what it says. It's called. I forget what the thing was called, man.
Yeah, it's not looking good for them.
Here we go. Serious adverse effect. That's what's called. The stock is cratered in reaction to unexpected, serious adverse reaction of hypotony. Clinically relevant decrease in ocular pressure.
Hypotony.
Yeah, the event was reported in the Infinity Phase 2. Wow.
Dead in the water, man. Dead in the water. Dead in the water. Poor company.
Yikes. Yeah, man, it's but here's the thing, it doesn't sound that damning because listen, it says with the case of hypotony developing characterized by a decrease in ocular pressure, right? So they were given a single high dose.
Right.
This person instantly got decrease in ocular pressure. So it's like seems like a shot that they get in their eye for diabetic macular edema, right? And the company has immediately decided to unmask this 36 patient trial. So that's not a good odds. I mean, 1 out of 36 is fucking blind in their eye. But it says experienced a loss of vision in a treated eye. And the fact that they said experienced and not experience makes me believe that they regained vision in their eye. I don't know. But they're going to be unmasking this thing anyways, this trial anyways. So we're going to find out if more people have been affected. If more people have been affected, this company's fucked. If more people have not been affected, it'll be all right. It's not a big deal. Yeah, Fees called me too, man. What was he asking you about?
That same company.
Get out of here, thirsty ass trying to buy a stock.
Yep, the news just in on that company. It's the RBC Capital downgrades Advium Biotechnologies to sector perform rating from out of perform, lowers price target to $6 from $30.
Who did that? I'm good with 6. I bought it at $4.76. You can get the $6. That's fine. I'll take it. I'm not greedy. I don't want 12. I'll take 12 though. By the way.
Break even.
Break even? No, I don't want break even. I want a little bit of money, man. I didn't do this just for the fun.
Break even and head for the hills.
Yeah, that might be the smart move.
Yeah. Be one of the quick ones to take your profit, whatever profit's left.
I don't know. It's not looking good, man. The Robinhood is down a little bit today, too. Not a lot, though. Could be because of the Doge going, man.
Or the NASDAQ and the Dow's getting ready to take a dump. It could be that.
Yeah, it might, dude.
The Biden effect is wearing off. No more Biden effect. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Yeah, it's raining. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah, man, it's raining out here for sure.
It looks like the market's gonna start raining on us. And about another. If this keep this up, it'll be 30 minutes. We'll be back in the red. But what can you do? Nada. Nothing.
Not a thing, man.
Oop.
What happened to Kyle, man? Did he leave the chat? Is he gone? Gone for good? What does Mind Medicine do? Up 33% MMND.
Well, I'm up $2,000 on my account. But it's gonna disappear once. Yeah, it's gonna disappear once it.
What happened?
Once it dumps. Once it dumps.
You gotta sell it, man. Sell it while you can.
I'm gonna ride it till it dies, man. Ride or die.
You can do that too.
I'm going into battle with no bullets.
Mind Medicine, baby. Let's see. Let's see what we got here.
Did you just yawn?
I did.
You know that's contagious.
Man, I might have to go get a Red Bull. Alternatively, Red Bull, if you would like to sponsor the stream too, I will give up my non-secured sponsorship with Ice Mountain.
Actually, Red Bull, he'll give you his ADVM.
You can take the ADVM too. I'll even sell it to you at $5.76 a share, just a measly dollar over what I paid for it. What about Kara? Kara. I dated a girl named Kara once. That was the end of the story.
Because it didn't turn out right.
Didn't turn out right, man. Look at this flat line. This stock has not moved for shit, but it's dropped 42%. What happened? First, what we want to do, it's called Cara, C-A-R-A. This is the first thing I do. When I check a stock, if it's got an uncharacteristic drop like that, where the price is like nearly in half of what it was, always, in corporate actions, this little section, corporate actions in Webull, you look for splits, man. A lot of times, this trading platform is read a split as like a down day. You get what I'm saying? So it's up to you to do your due diligence, to do your research, and determine why a stock went down. A lot of times it's from news. Sometimes it's from a split, though. So this one doesn't look like it's from a split. So this one, obviously, we're going to turn to the news.
Oh, wow. I didn't know this company did all that. Interesting.
Atopic dermatitis with moderate to severe pruritus. I don't know what that is.
Wait a minute. C-E-R-A?
C-A-R-A, Cara.
I got the wrong one.
Cara Therapeutics shares shares dive after as investors react. Whoever wrote this terrible, terrible grammar, man. But a statistically significant improvement from baseline was evident as early as week 1 from 1 milligram dose group, which was sustained through 75% of the treatment period. In pre-specified analysis, a statistically significant change in the primary efficacy endpoint was observed in the mild to moderate patient population, which was evident at week 1 and sustained through the treatment period.
Now's your chance, Chris. You get skills. 1820.
Get out of here, man. I'm not getting 1820. I'm keeping my order. $15. I don't want it if you don't give me 15. Look at this.
I don't think it's.
Look at it. No, hell, it's hitting it, bro. It's getting to hit 16.
I don't see it
for
hitting
sure.
15.
For sure. Let's go. 16, baby. Who's with me? Kyle, you still in the fucking chat? I hope you are. And if you are, don't buy skills until it hits 1570. That's when I'm buying it too. Then you can buy it. We'll send that shit back up together.
Well, I don't see it hitting 15. I can see it hitting 18 or 17.5.
You saying you only give it a 25-cent dip? You know this candlestick hit 1812. Look at this. Hold on. Let me go back to the Webull, guys. I'm sorry. I've been leaving you hanging here on the reading about Cara. No one gives a fuck about Cara anymore. Here's what we're looking at right here. Oof. 1812 in this candlestick, man. I'm telling you.
1812.
This shit, it's 1819 right now.
The last support was 14, right? When we seen it. Yep, 14. The very
you're right. You're right. 14. You're right. It was 14. So man,
if it hits 14 again, which I seriously doubt it, the market isn't that bad.
Not yet. Day is still early. I'm hoping on a red day because I only really have 2 stocks that I mean, fuck. ADVM is that's gonna screw me. It's gonna fuck me in the ass there if I have too many.
So I'm going with, honestly, 18 to 17.5.
18 to 17.5.
And I'm gonna double down while you wait for your 15.
All right, we're gonna put this shit on a board here. We're gonna put this shit on a little. Here we go. Uncle B, We got a prediction. We're going skills prediction.
Okay.
1 L or 2? Who gives a fuck? Uncle B.
I like
If
Red
you don't know,
Bulls, so you know.
that's Uncle B. Just so you know over there.
I like Red Bulls, so you know.
Red Bulls.
Make a bet out of it.
You like Red Bull. So you want me to get you a Red Bull? I'm going to get a Red Bull either way. So you're going to get one too. Don't worry. Uncle B prediction, and then Christopher P prediction. We going to see. All right, you're saying what price?
Oh, my price, 18 and
18?
17.5.
18. I'm going to give you the whole range. 17.5. Anywhere in between.
I'm gonna
that.
give you 15 to 14.
Yeah. I'm not going to 14, man.
15.
I'm saying
I'm gonna give you the last support
15.
in 14.5.
I'm going to say 1568. It's going to be, we're getting
15
specific.
what?
1568.
Wait, why 68? I'm curious.
You know, I set it for 70, so I think it's going to go a little bit below that. I want to account for that. And I got the other number between that, 1610. That's my range. My range right there. Yep.
God
That's
bless
right.
you.
That's right.
I don't see that happening. All I see right here is people taking profit from when they hit at 21. That's all I see. That's all I see.
Let's see, man. It's already at 1812, bro. I'm telling you, 1808. It's dropping. It's going down.
Just
Come on,
saying.
Daddy. It's really low below that VWAP, though. Not really low, but like, you know, a little bit lower for comfort than I like. Because that shit is going to retest at some point, probably relatively soon. You know what we absolutely have to get for lunch tomorrow, though, man?
Oh yeah, tomorrow's Friday.
Sushi. Sashimi. I can't believe it was a week ago already we ate sashimi.
We have to get 2 instead of 1.
We're absolutely getting 2 platters of sashimi, man. We smashed through that last time. We gotta get some rice. Oof. The whole 9 here. I don't know if you guys eat sushi or sashimi, but it's fucking great.
All that shit's the same.
It's the same. The same shit. I'm sure there would be some Asians who would disagree, but we ain't talking to y'all right now. Yeah, let's see. Here's gonna be the tail of the tape, bro. See, we're losing ground here. 36, 49, 27, decline. So it's okay. That's changing now too, man. It's 32. That was a big fucking jump. Oh my god.
Good morning,
Julie, what's up? Oh, we partying over here.
Yeah, we're watching the market take it down.
Watching the market take a dump slowly.
Yeah, it's starting to go down. The bottom effect is wearing off.
Yeah, Julie, now you're watching because you got your money in there, right?
Yeah,
She's like, market's shit, huh?
Yeah.
Wake up right away.
Just don't jump off any buildings when it dumps too low.
Did you see?
Come on, Julie, what you got? Let's see.
See, my investment is 17,300.
Market watch.
Okay.
Not bad. 1,190 in 2 days.
Oh, yeah, that's really fucking good, Julie. You're gonna cross 20 in no time.
Yeah, you be paying taxes.
Yeah. You'll do it. You're gonna do it, Julie. You got it. We have faith in you.
Let's see.
Dude, you hear this coronavirus in India, dude? It's destroying India.
Is it ripping and roaring through
Yeah.
India?
Lot people.
Coronavirus update. Noted writer calls
You know,
India's
people
crisis.
are dying a lot.
They're dying a lot, you're saying? Yeah.
And,
I'm pretty sure because they're like overwhelmed. The medical facilities are overwhelmed. I'm pretty sure they don't have like any active.
And they don't have even oxygen, they said. So,
Oh, yikes.
like, from here they supply, even other countries, they helping out. It's massive.
They said it.
That's a
On
mess.
Rocket Watch, it said it's a
That's
crisis
definitely
in
a mess.
India. It's a crime against humanity. It's that bad.
I
Dude,
think it closed.
they're giving them aid. I think they're going to give them more aid. The United States is probably giving aid. I'm sure France is giving aid. I'm sure all those other, a lot of the other UN countries are giving aid. So, It'll be okay. Things will shape up for him.
Just don't give him the Johnson & Johnson shot.
We have an election there
Yeah.
and a cricket match.
Okay.
So that to make
The
messy.
super spreaders.
Second thing, air ticket is very low.
Yeah.
So from here, people they book and they went there. Second thing, they did like in a 24-hour. Yeah, I'm not sure that you know.
$4,000 to fly to India unless you're first class, right?
Exactly.
So right now tickets might be $700. You know what I'm saying? Let's look. We're gonna go. All right, chat. You want to see something? We're gonna look up flights to India.
For $200-$300,
Wait, you ready to go?
take risk. I don't understand seriously.
Yeah, no, I'm not going to India, man. Not right now. Not with all this shit going on. But I would definitely go. They're not even that bad.
Hello?
How much?
Mumbai is 938. One stop. It's a
One
long
stop?
fucking flight. Yeah, but I mean, look, we're gonna
One
see.
stop
We're
to
gonna
your
see what
death.
they say. What's the prices? Travel restricted.
How much is
Negative
right now?
COVID-19 test.
938.
It's the same as everything else. It's $938
Right.
to fly there right now. I think that's pretty standard. Usually it tells you if it's standard, if prices are high or low for it, but it's not telling me on this one.
What about the Dubai?
To Dubai?
That kind of situation, if someone say, okay, Julie, free ticket, still
Ah,
I don't
yeah,
want
right.
it. That's
Oh.
fine.
Come on, it's not worth it. If you risk your life for what? Savings of $600? You know what I'm saying? Like,
People, I don't know.
Hey,
Right.
Dr. Fauci said just keep your mask on.
yeah, right. I don't think they got the special variants over there in India. You know, because India, like whatever the busiest place you've ever seen in your life is, I'm pretty sure India is like times 2. You know, so many people. So it's not like I see the pictures of the train or videos of trains and they're like pushing people. I'm like, what the fuck is that?
You see those videos too, huh?
Dude, they're terrible.
Yeah. That's hilarious. Hey, Dr. Fauci said just leave your mask on. If you go to India, Julie, just leave your mask on.
I'm not going, nobody.
So you're not
At
going?
least 1 year, no.
You could save some money.
Honestly, I never, I don't like to.
Get you a 5-star hotel, Julie, and just don't come out.
Yeah. That's
Order
right.
room service.
Do you think they exist in India?
Oh my God. They might.
South side, like service.
Kerala?
Yeah.
I never been there.
Oh, my.
That would be the place to go.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah.
I mean, even when I went down to Mexico, I don't know how they don't have like a bigger situation with COVID. Because like literally the single place that I had to wear a mask in Mexico was a fucking 7-Eleven. I stopped at a 7-Eleven.
There's a 7-Eleven in Mexico, dude?
Dude, for real. For real.
That is
You
that's
just-
from
you
here.
just
That's
fucked me up with
why
that one.
They made rules from USA.
Is that Home Depot there?
Oh my God.
There's what?
Is that Home Depot there?
Dude, I didn't see a Home Depot.
Dude, I'm just
But the
kidding.
only ones that I saw, like, I mean, I was only in Tulum and I went to the Tulum town, right? But I did see some,
7-Eleven in Mexico?
like, did you ever see
That's crazy. I would have never thought. 7-Eleven in Mexico.
I know, man. I know. All right, so here's what we're gonna look for.
7-Eleven in Mexico.
Yeah, we're gonna look for 7-Eleven stock since they're all in Mexico. No, we're not going to. I'm kidding.
Are they even traded? Publicly traded?
I don't think so.
Why not?
No, I mean the owners didn't take it. They just like transferred. They just made it like a franchise. You know what I'm saying?
But
Like franchise. So McDonald's is like that
would be a
too,
good
but I
stock.
think Mickey D's is.
Because you got Uber Eats that delivers from 7-Eleven.
That's true.
Lyft.
That's true. That's true. 7-Eleven would be
that would be a damn good
potential,
stock
but
to
it
trade.
would wind up being one of those stocks that doesn't move a lot. You know what I'm saying? It'll probably stay in the same. But I bet you
Dividend stock.
I bet you their income year to year is probably largely close to what it is.
Look at that. $17.99.
Don't tell me skills. This one we're looking at to buy right here. This is the pick, man. You gotta wait. You gotta be patient. You gotta scrounce it up. But we're going back. Hold on. Let's go back. This is the pick right now. Skills. Skills. Dude. 1792. I'm telling you. I got this open order. If you can see it right here for 1570. That might be a little bit low. I might be a little bit reaching for that. So I'm gonna watch. When this gets in the low 16s, if it cannot break that 16, if it's just holding that line, that's it. I'm going to fucking adjust my order, right? I'm not a piece of shit. So I'm going to have to adjust my order because I want to make a little bit of money, especially after this money I'm losing on ADVM. Oh,
that company still exists today.
Yeah, dude. You can't see them, you know? That's what they say about ADVM. You go blind after you...
Yeah.
Do business with those motherfuckers.
And they will have to buy stock in ears and eyes.
Yeah, exactly, dude. That was fun playing eyes as he was having fun. It's like these eyes.
You know what?
They're never gonna be
eyes and
so yeah.
ADVM.
Obey Jack Bauer. It's the 24 reference there. I like it. Obey Jack Bauer. If you want to pick, I'm looking at Skills right now. Skills is a banging company. They're down a solid percentage today. If they're going to go lower, I mean, look at their 52-week high. Look at this 52-week high, 46.30. They got good typical volume. They have, I mean, their volume is actually a little bit low today. Well, it's the first hour. It's not too bad.
Who cares? I'm going to look at the buy on it. A single. Of course it's single. Let's see.
Yeah, man.
That price
So,
is going to be beautiful.
50 biggest movers from yesterday. They made the list. Yeah, the other thing I really like about this company too, let's go back to the daily chart. They IPO'd in when? 4/29/20. So it's going to be next week, right? No, today.
What is?
Today is the 1 year anniversary of their IPO.
Skills.
Of Skills, that's right. Not really the nice way to ring in the fucking anniversary, but hey, if you can get to 1570, I'll love you forever. But their income is nice. Their income is $230 million. I mean, not for their price. Their market cap is a little bit high to support that kind of income, but dude, this is the pick right now. That's my pick.
1785. I know what's going on.
So we're going, man.
They're closing their options out today.
Yeah, is this a quad witching week? No, it's not a quad, right? Tri witching?
No, not a witching week. I didn't see any witches hanging from any trees. Okay.
Are you sure, man?
Yes, I didn't. I got here early.
Let's see when the witching weeks are. Because there's quad witching and... Let's see, witching weeks. Third Friday of March, June, September, and December.
See, look at that. I told you I didn't see any witches hanging.
What about the quad witching week, though?
They usually burn them.
Yeah, that's what they've been doing since the Salem days. Quadruple witching definition, I got you.
See, look at that. So now they're taking profit today. This is a profit-taking day. Whenever you see a stock, especially a famous company, like Facebook, Skills, I would say Zynga, but Apple, Tesla, they're usually taking a small percentage dump on a Thursday, a lot of people are closing out option contracts.
Yeah,
which
for
expire
sure.
on a Friday.
For sure,
So
for
basically
sure.
today or tomorrow would be the perfect time to buy either the equity or a call.
We're gonna see, dude. I'm waiting for this the skills to fill. See, here's this is, dude. Look at this. I got this skill set up right here. I got this buy at 1570, and I have it paired with the stop loss at 1507, as well as the sell limit at 1947. So that's my take profit is 1947, which I mean, fuck, it got that today, right? 1935, not
Because I know that
but
this
we
20-day
would be
moving
there.
average is pushing it down too.
What's up, Julie?
What's that,
I'm
Julie?
gonna find out this thing
What is this?
for my printer.
Ink cartridge?
I ordered 3 of them. I don't know. I didn't. They took money from my credit card.
Where'd you order from?
Is
Amazon?
in
Hold on, chat. We gotta
Ink.
help. We gotta help Julie out here a second. She's a sweetheart who works in the office here, unaffiliated with the trading, but
She knows her real estate.
she does.
me. Real estate.
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go.
All right. So it's
It's
just
my
it's
boring
it's a black cartridge right here. Ink. So you need color or it's just black?
Only
Tone?
black.
Only black. Why can't it be white?
Yeah. They don't have white ink, man. It's white paper.
No, I like black.
You'll never be able to print it or see it. I'll be like, man, we should have got this some other
But
paper.
if you got black paper and you got white ink,
Here you go, Julie.
see what I'm saying? Right?
It's from
That's
Amazon.
it. Amazon, right?
But when they can deliver?
Says today.
They can
Today,
deliver
sure?
I think so. 10 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Oh shit, Julie, there you go.
Okay, let me give you my credit card.
Oh, I don't know. She's coming out here.
As soon as possible.
Julie is not fucking around.
It says 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. if I order in the next 23 minutes, 22 minutes.
T minus counting.
Yeah, literally. That's how we're doing it, man.
Don't surprise.
Come on,
okay?
Skills, dude. Skills is fucking dropping, baby. What do you
Okay,
saying,
people,
Julie?
take your option. Oh God, the Nasdaq is in the red. Jesus Christ. The Biden
Can deliver
effect
here,
is
right?
officially
Yeah.
worn off. Dude, the Biden effect has officially worn off. Why didn't he talk like that during the market yesterday?
They never talk during the market, man. They always do it after or before. Usually before, simply because they don't want you to get fucked. They know what's gonna happen, man. They know people are gonna be like,
Don't try to
Still up on
pronounce,
my
okay?
option.
what?
What she say?
She said, "Don't try and pronounce her name." If you guys couldn't tell in the chat by her voice, Julie is Indian, and her name is simply unpronounceable. You can't. There's no way. If you're not
More
Indian,
unpronounceable than the Nigerian
You
guy.
know what? My that name?
no. I think it's
No.
like Bavnabin.
No one know, okay?
No.
Not even my country. Everybody, they're calling me only Julie.
That's not even your real name, is it?
Official name is that in paperwork.
No.
Other than my college, school,
Yeah.
everybody they know.
You know what, Julie? Know that is your real name Julie?
No.
Hell no, real
That's
name
why I
is
said
Julie.
don't try to pronounce.
Oh my God! So you're not Julie then? You know
No.
what? I had a
That's
aunt.
slang,
May she
that's
rest in
slang.
peace. Her name was Mary.
That's her government name is.
Mary Human. That was her name. That was her last name, right? Because she was married, right? But she told me a secret one day. She said, "My name isn't Mary." I said, "What?" She said, "No." I said, "Oh my God, she's wanted by the FBI." She said, "No, my name is Georgia." I'm an adult now. I said, "Where did you get Mary from then? Why you had us calling you Mary when we was kids?" She said, "That's what your kids called me when you was just babies.
Oh,
The
she's your
babysit you.
prime
You used to
delivery
call me
app.
Mary." So I kept Mary. But my real name is Georgia.
George, yeah.
All right. Here we
And
go.
you just look, don't try to pronounce it either, okay?
So, Julie, I'm looking at your name right now, right?
Yeah, that's why I said don't try to
There's
pronounce.
no-
Order please, Julie. It'll be here today. It says.
Sure.
You
Thank
know,
you.
your name
No
looks
problem.
like Julie. The first part of your name.
All right, back to the
Caribbean
motherfucking
island
game,
name.
baby. Back to the game.
Don't it, Chris?
I mean,
A Caribbean island that you say that's
yeah, right. That's where she's from.
yeah, right?
Not where her name is.
Even funny part, when I was in school in 11th grade, so one of my friend from city,
Yeah.
she just first time she's coming to my home, and they call me Julie too, but she
hell?
thought over here, in my home, maybe people call me my original name. So she just came, and my aunt was outside, and she asked, where is Bauna's house? I said, who is that? my aunt, okay? My aunt. She doesn't know my name.
Oh my
And
god.
after-
You all messed up, Julie.
She just
Even your aunt, dude.
I just came out that time and I see her. So she said, I'm asking. She said, yes, she's my aunt. She said, I'm asked her house, and she said, oh, no one is, that name is here. So I'm like, yeah, you have to call me Julie. Nobody doesn't know that name, only in passport and all those
Yeah.
things. That's it.
Oh
So,
my
yeah.
god.
So now you gotta get your ID that says Julie.
That's how to do it though. You gotta be rocking a different name than the actual name. You keep people
You do
wondering.
like my grandfather. When he had so many grandkids, he just say boy and girl.
Yeah, boy.
So he wouldn't
Boy,
confuse
sound like
them.
God of War. Alright, we're gonna find another one to buy too today
Oh,
because
and that is
alternatively
ACST.
ACST.
Yeah, I bought that.
Oh, I ain't heard that
Yesterday
name
I
in a
placed
long
order
Yeah,
for
me either.
50 cents.
yeah.
And it's going
And
49,
you got
so
it?
I got it already.
Hell yeah. ACST. Let's check out ACST, Julie. That was a nice. That might be a nice
Sergio suggested.
Yeah,
ACST.
the guru. It's actually a buy.
Yeah, you can squeeze the easy 10% out of this for sure. Easy 20%.
Take your money and run.
211, 21. Okay.
Okay, back to
Okay.
work.
Yeah, get back to it, Julie. Get out of here now.
Even yesterday I didn't do anything because the system is down.
Looks like you're gonna be getting your price filled today, buddy.
Yeah, all right, let's figure out another scooper, dude. We're going back to bar chart. If y'all don't use bar chart, if you don't chew Big Red, then fuck you.
I used to love Big Red.
Yeah, if anybody knows that movie in the chat. By the way, I have my viewers hidden. I'm pretty sure it's at like 2 maybe or 1, very small amount. But I keep it hidden. That way I try and produce the same quality content no matter if there's 1 person or 1,000 people. So there hasn't been 1,000 yet. So, here's hoping. Anyways, if anybody's got any critique, hit it. If the mic sounds good, mic sounds bad, whatever, let me know. We're looking with Nokia, Kirkland's. Kirkland's was a fun one to play, dude. I had this shit when it was dirt nasty, like so cheap. Kirkland's, oof, that's not a nice rise today. I had it when it was like, I want to say $11. Back in like, not March. November. Yikes.
So I'm looking at this ACST.
Mm-hmm.
It's still a solid penny stock. For those who don't know nothing about penny stocks, a lot
Yeah.
of these penny stocks, we made a lot of. I'm gonna keep it real. We made a ton of money off.
We
penny
did. We
stocks.
killed it with the penny stocks earlier
Yeah.
this year. Fuck it.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do? Little small caps, all that shit. Zomedica, all that. Even we were hitting those waves before they were like getting popular, right? And
Yeah.
it was fun. It was a lot of like interest, to watch them rise, to make some money off of it. But
Yeah, if you got,
we're playing different ranges now, man.
there's pros and cons on penny stocks.
Yeah, there is.
You have to do your due diligence, research on them, and we made tons of money off penny stocks. I don't care what nobody say.
Dude, Kirkland's is really interesting to me right now. Just hit its high today. You could have bought this in March, right when the pandemic hit last year, for 50 cents. 50 cents is at $33. You know what that gain is?
Yeah, that's
Stupid.
buy you a new home game.
Yeah, that's exactly what
Especially
that
if you only
is.
bought. Let's just say if you only bought 100 shares.
That shit's McGregor money right there. We don't even see Mayweather money. He's broke ass. He doesn't even play anymore, fight anymore. It's McGregor money, man. I just read that he sold his proper 12. Did he actually sell his proper 12, right? I thought he sold it originally, but then I just read a new article that said he sold it for $600 million. There we go, right here, right?
600 million?
Yeah, sells majority stake in proper 12
Only majority. Oh, wow.
for $600 million.
They wouldn't even see me anymore.
They're probably not going to see him anymore. No, you'll still see him. But here's what we're looking at. This Kirkland's, man. This is a banger right here. That's what I'm saying. It was a banger, too. From this 50 cent mark, dude. We'd love to see it. Love to see it. 56 cents. Psst. Even, fuck it. Let's say you're like, oh, I couldn't get it at 56. I got it a little bit higher at 76. You still banged it out. Ridiculously. Ridiculously. Oh, man. Yeah, but ACST, that's probably a decent one for her to do. I'm trying to stay away from these pharmaceutical stocks for a little bit, man. Is
that the guru?
Who the hell is that? I have no idea who it is, man. It looks like a suit. It's a suit. We don't wear suits around here. Who's that?
Yeah, you might want to kill it. How you gentlemen doing?
I'm not good on the stream. I don't know who these cats are. Where are they from?
I don't know. I was about to ask Audrey what's going on. He's like trying to hurt me get off the phone.
Well, what are you gonna do, man?
Nothing. I'm still up $560 on my option.
To whisper. Ooh, hims and hers, actually. Here we go, chat. I got another tip for y'all. Look up.
Is that the breast stock?
No, that's Sientra.
How are they doing?
I don't know. I haven't checked them out.
I know they were up.
But I think Hims is I mean, they got terrible volume right now, especially considering their average volume. But I think this is going to be a good holder, stock to hold for a little while. Maybe till the end of the year, and see what's going to happen with that. But yeah, back to Sientra. You were saying, dude, Sientra was a great stock. I instantly increased my net worth that way. Instantly.
Dude,
pandemic. You know what? They didn't even go down that much, to be honest. I had $6.92. I sold them when they were
I know a few people that bought breasts.
I don't even know when they were at maybe $8, I want to say.
It's a big thing. Big.
That's true.
Use that term loosely. Whoa, look at that.
Yeah. So I mean, it's a reasonable company. Let's see what the analysts recommend. A little bit higher based on 8 analysts. That's good. Here we go. That's the company right there. There you go. Interesting right there. They look like they had the gummy bear ones.
What a nice company. Look at that.
Yeah.
Go, just scroll back. Yeah, that's.
Yeah. Natural look film. Okay.
Yeah.
Obviously, the products are good. We don't
They
have
did
to worry
very
about
good
that.
over the pandemic.
Yeah. They were boogieing it.
Somebody wasn't broke.
I mean, shit, that's probably what people spending their stimulus money on. New set of boobs. New set of cans. No, it's like, it's like capital improvements. That's what they call it. We got 800 flowers, dude. This company.
Nano dimensions. Nano dimensions. Profit taking. Look at that.
Who doing it?
NNDM. Profit taking. Yes, indeed. Now, this is the perfect time. And it looks, you know what? Nano dimensions and skills, even though one's Dow, one's NASDAQ, it looks like they're moving on the same algorithm because they both dumped at the same time under the 20-day moving average. And they both just popped 2 green candlesticks up at the same time. Makes you wonder, don't it?
Yeah. Skills, dude.
You might as well kiss your 1650 goodbye. 1668.
You don't think I'm gonna get it, Felt?
Nope.
Get out of here, bro.
I like my Red Bulls.
That
nice
shit,
and cold.
1801. Nah, it's gonna come back down.
Think so?
I don't know if I'll get a 1570 order filled, but I think it's gonna come down to like 1630s for sure, I see it in my mind's eye, brother. No, skills got to, dude. Here's the thing: is like it just shot up. We were just looking at it at like $14 the other day, and it shot up literally all because what? Kathy Woods bought it.
Yeah, of course. That name carries weight.
I know, but again, eventually that hype is gonna die down.
Let me tell you how good that name is, alright? That's just like Warren Buffett buying Coca-Cola.
It's true. Kathy Woods now is like synonymous almost with Warren Buffett. Probably even more so. Like I would trust her opinion because Warren Buffett's gonna tell you to buy some shit like GE. He's gonna be like, buy GE, and be like, you own it, asshole. We know.
Yeah. So.
Even though GE would have been a good buy this year.
ARK Investments, I was thinking about buying them if they have a dip.
ARK, dude, I'm telling you, Moon, Dirección. I think that's the ETF to buy. You guys are watching us in the chat. The Moon that we're looking, or the ETF that I'm looking at is Moon Dirección. It's called Moonshot. It's a really solid ETF with some nice gains.
But Kathy Woods, yeah. If Kathy Woods say buy it, buy it. If Kathy Woods say sell it, sell it.
Yeah, for the most part, you're right. Right.
That's just like Warren Buffett. Him and Coca-Cola. If you pay any attention to any Warren Buffett's interviews, either there's a glass of water or a can of Coke sitting next to him.
That's a move, man. I mean, the thing is, he owns it, so it's like directly impacting his.
Yeah. And they had their shareholders meeting just coming up. Actually, it's gonna be virtual. Him and Charlie Munger.
Charlie Munger, dude. That guy looks creepy.
The silent assassin.
The
You notice he's always quiet. Dude, I just realized. Order field notice, your order to buy equity. That was Weevil. There were no orders on Weevil. That's weird. Oh my god, I just thought about that. It's a Z's account.
Oh yeah.
He said he had an order field.
What was it for?
I don't know. It popped up really fast. I don't even want to look at it.
8 EVM again. No.
He's selling it.
Oh man! All right, here's what we're gonna do. This skills is going back up now. What the fuck? All right, we're getting on to another one. This skills
that 1811
doesn't look like I'm gonna be able to get that
God
shit
bless
today.
America. God
Maybe,
bless Captain Hood.
maybe, just not right now. All right, let's boogie. Let's
You'll
boogie.
get it at 15 when Kathy Wood decides to dump it off.
Yeah, right. 15, 7. Dude, I don't want it done, man. This shit ain't GTC. Like, fuck.
Because I don't see
gonna
Warren
wait.
Buffett picking it up. So
Oh, come on, Buffy.
you had your chance.
Old Buffy the Vampire Slayer.
You had your chance. Dude, I think I should wear glasses.
If you need them, you should, man, for sure. What are you gonna do? Your eyes just strain your eyes all day and give yourself a headache? Fucking Cheesecake Factory. Fuck, what do I
I'm
want to
about to put on the Guru's glasses to see what I look like. Oh my God.
Can you see, like, well with them or no?
I look even, I feel blind right now.
Yeah, I
It's
bet,
like-
dude. Your eyes look gigantic.
Yeah.
You're just like,
Yeah,
kind of
dude.
fucking
But if I
lenses
open
that,
my
dude.
eyes and try to focus,
It's like a sniper scope, that lens.
yeah,
It's
nano
so thick.
nano dimensions. It's like big but blurry, but big blurry. It's like big old wrinkled boobs sitting in your face. That's what it looks like. These glasses.
That's what it looked like?
Yeah.
I'm definitely not gonna wear those. I don't want to experience.
Nah, that's some strong medication in those glasses.
All right. What do we got with this down list, man? That Kohu salmon. Oh, this BTX, dude. Brooklyn Therapeutics. We were talking about this one yesterday. It was banging it out. Let's go back. Let's go back to the
Brooklyn
board.
Therapeutics.
Yeah,
This is
dude.
actually a good company.
It was killing it though. Yesterday, like right, it was so high aftermarket, and it rose up at the end.
36.31.
Yeah, it was ridiculous. But watch this. This fucker's been on a nonstop rise. Watch it drop off to. What price is it at right now? Okay.
On a 10-day moving average, it's a buy. But on a EMA 10-day moving average, it's a sell. So, what are your thoughts?
Dude, I think we need to. I think it's gonna go lower. For sure. Yeah, it's definitely
That's
gonna
on
go
5
lower than
minutes.
this because it's 36. It rose too much, but I think if we can scoop it at like low 20s, mid to low 20s, it'll be a good. I'm telling you, this is the one I was saying yesterday that it's had such meteoric rise, and we're gonna watch it be on this list of decliners for the day as well, and then after that, it's gonna be back on that fucking advancer list. Just watch. This shit is gonna hit like $22. I'm just telling you, from 36 to 22, it's gonna drop super fucking low. Maybe, I don't even know, could be even lower. But you're gonna see it pop right back to 32 one day. Maybe 2 weeks from now, 3 weeks from now at the most. Watch. It'll happen. Confident about it, brother. We believe it.
You have to.
Where you going, B?
You know what I'm about to do.
Oh, yep.
About to take the dog for a walk.
That's right, brother. Walk the old dog, brother.
Yeah. Have to.
It's all right, man. I'll roll a solo here. Come on, Skills. Go back down below 17. You can do it. Yeah, I know you can.
No, you
Look at
can,
this. Yo, I can do it. $17.99 in that candlestick, brother. It wants to. I'm telling you.
I think enough people took profit.
$15.70. Not enough, brother. It's only down 2.9%. That ain't shit. I want that to go down like 7%. All right, brother. Walking the dog. Oh, man. So you guys know in the chat, this is not necessarily like a professional office setting. In some ways it is. Most it's not. Like none of us are being paid to be here in any way. We all just trade because it's fun. We know each other. Friend owns the office. So that's the scoop.
So could you send me the purchase agreement? Did she send you the letter or the email?
Ooh, here we go. Here we go. Fresh out the bar chart list. Gamble, baby. 52-week high. Esports Entertainment Group.
Right. Yeah, just give me whatever you guys have, and then you guys thought.
See what their income looks like for the day. For the day. How much you guys make today? Zero, 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 zero. What's going on? How you guys doing it? How you doing it?
Again, I'm trusting you guys and putting it in your hand.
Oh yeah, it's a banger, dude, for sure.
She's trying to
For sure. Let's see a little bit more about it, though. Esports Entertainment is an esports online gambling company. Operates entities across 3 pillars, such as who wrote this, dude? Is this like Halo? Fucking lore author? Such as esports entertainment, esports wagering, and iGaming, and traditional sports betting. Okay. Okay. Its esports games include Dota 2, League of Legends, Counter-Strike, StarCraft. They got some big boys in there. No kidding.
She is.
I don't know. Esports Entertainment Group, I don't know if they're going to be a good thing coming up here, to be honest with you. Got to find a little bit more about it. It doesn't really, what do they do? What do they do? Okay, kind of online games they have. Oh man, I'm gonna take a slight pass on it for now. It's got a nice 52-week range, but I don't know that I can get behind it entirely. Yeah. I'm gonna take a pass on that one. It looked like a solid one initially, but upon further review, it is deemed unworthy. Unworthy. Dude, literally, finally, man, the Playboy Group has had a down day. That's unbelievable? I've been watching the stock go up for fucking weeks. Maybe not weeks, but like a week and a half. Nothing but solid green. Oh. And 55 was its high. Oh. Coming from the ground here at $11 in March. Wow. Wow. Just absolutely wow. It's resting at $46 right now. I still think she's got more room to drop. Still got more room to drop. Here's the thing you're going to learn about me the longer you watch, if you continue to watch, is that I am a cheap trader in some ways. Certain things I'll buy at market. I say, I don't give a fuck. Give me it. I want it. I want to buy it. I want to trade it right now. Other things, Man, I can't give. I gotta have a cheap price. I see it and I look in my head and I'm like, man, based on what I'm reading, based on what the indicators are telling me, what my perception of the indicators are, and what my idea of like different trend lines are looking like, support, resistance, all that bullshit, high highs, low lows. Shout out Rainer Tio. But what are you gonna do? That's how I like to trade. It works out pretty well sometimes. I get some good deals on things, like even this one, this ADVM, man. I got fucked up. This was the exact reason this is happening to me right now, because I didn't put a cheap enough order. You know, what are you gonna do? You get fucked up, man. It's a small loss, very, very small loss. $200, nothing. Nothing, but nothing to cry about, right? This VXRT, oof, 11. All right, back to the bar chart, baby. What are we gonna look at here? See these advances, the decliners. Fucking Riot blockchain, man. Actually, let's take a moment and cover this eBay International Company, because I heard some recent reports of alleged fraud or something like that, something similar to the SOS scandal that's going on, that's plaguing this these alleged Bitcoin mining operations that are not actually Bitcoin mining operations. Let's see what eBay has to say for themselves. All right, so they got this China-based ASIC mining machines. Okay, same shit. But you know how we got to do. We have to do the due diligence, right? Everybody needs to. I cannot stress how important that is. If you are buying a company and you have not visited their fucking website, get your shit together. Visit the website, please. It's so important. And that's like even the smallest part of the due diligence, right? There's so many other things you have to do. Check the financials, all of this. Let's see, eBay. The website, it shows nothing. These pictures are all stock photos right here. What the fuck is this? Is this their actual office, or is this just like some fictitious city that they like are posting here? That's what I'm saying. Vision, leadership. Here's the thing. If they had all of this access, if they had all of these machines, they would show pictures of them. If they had a giant mining rig, they would show pictures of them. You can go on like rides, you can see photos of the inside of their fucking rigs, man. All of these mining structures, these machines they have, they're real, right? Okay. So this is the big issue, is these companies are just, it takes nothing for you to put out a PR message that says, hey, we just bought $15 million worth of mining rigs, right? Who the fuck is going to verify that? Who's going to verify exactly how many coins you're actually mining, right? And the only person who has access to that information would be you, the person putting the PR out. So that's what's happening right now, is you're having a lot of these bullshit companies, predominantly from China, that are coming out fly by night, holding companies. They used to do one thing, now they do another thing, and it's a shell of a shell. And basically, they're getting into this mining game because they see that people are just jumping on stocks when they say, "Oh, we just closed a deal with a large mining rig or large mining operation. We just purchased it, just acquired it." It winds up being like a huge catalyst for these stocks. And they just got listed on the NASDAQ in June 2020. What the fuck were they? Delisted from Neek? Yeah, man. No worries. No worries. No interest. No interest. That's going to be a hard pass, man. Hard pass. If you're in Ebon, all right. Let me go back here. Let me see what Ebon's looking like. Oh, fuck. If you're in Ebon, man, might be time to cut that shit. Let it go. That's us too, man. We've been like, I cut this shit a while back. Couldn't stand to look at it anymore. All right, let's open a position here. Let's find something. Find something worthy. Right, blockchain, man. Let's watch what's gonna happen with this crypto. You know, this is not good with Biden talking so much about adjusting the capital gains tax. It's going to be a big fucker for a lot of these crypto guys, man. These crypto guys move things in that short-term range in under a year, and their gains are fucking astronomical. All y'all who bought Dogecoin and sell that shit for your millions in less than a year, man. If Biden makes those moves, you're going to be fucked. We're all going to be fucked. The world will probably end, honestly, shortly thereafter, because everyone will be taxed a few more dollars. Let's see what else we got. What else was looking for? Billy, man. Oof. I remember my brother was preaching about the Billy back in the day. And it really just kept moving. Now it's holding on line pretty nicely, though. Sunworks, man. Sunworks. You know what company I want to look into a little bit more? Take us back to the old Weeble. Sunrun. The 52-week high was $100. Wow. Back in January. It's not bad, actually. You know, the reason I'm so interested in Sunrun, though, is literally I see them everywhere. I see their trucks all up and down the streets of Chicago. Literally. I see so many different, like, adverts for them. Like, literally, all the time they Sunrun. I see their trucks all up and down the street of Chicago. I went to Costco the other day, and they had like a, you know, like when they have those like little booths where someone works at, and they like try and, I don't know, sell you some of their products, right? Sunrun was one of those booths. There wasn't a person working there necessarily, but it was like you could tell it was set up to like give some presentations. Sunrun, obviously, solar powered. So I think this is going to be a good one. Of all of the ones, man, this is the one I see the most. And you know that old adage, if you see a stock, buy a stock, kind of, because it's important, man. Visibility is very important. Let's see what the analysts conglomerate can say about it. Sunrun 51.87. So
interesting to see that. We can a little more hear what she has to say.
Yeah.
She's been shaky.
Yeah, that was weird. I just don't see her doing that. I see her telling.
Let's see, baby. The sun run, sun run, sun window, sun window.
Yeah, not one to just not saying it.
Right.
Yeah. So even like after I contacted her a couple times and she really knew my number by then, or really like.
I mean, they have pretty good revenue, to be honest with you.
I gotta go.
Yeah.
Total revenue is $1 billion. Small increase, but pandemic kind of fucked a lot of these businesses, I think, out of money.
Follow up with
Um,
yesterday.
Yeah.
See if he was
and their income is strong, bro. Their income is strong, bro.
I don't know, John. Find out who's got the warrant list,
Yeah, I'll talk to her. It's crazy though, what's driving that one, as far as price per unit? Are we getting more income than that 14 unit we have? There's only 20K difference with how we price it.
Yeah, we didn't get the official expenses, so we don't have a, we don't have 100% answer to that. We're still looking.
Yeah. So the moral is, man, I think Sunrun long term, nice. This scoop at 46 around this area would have been swell. 47 would have been a really nice scoop.
But I think what's driving that is that market.
I'm gonna add that to our
Um,
list.
Yes. Streets are great. All your shopping, Amazon, probably 2 miles down.
It's a little handy dandy notebook here. Thanks, Aziz. Actually, before we put Sunrun, let's check back in this list we made. See how much money we would have made or lost. We've been up in all of them. That's why they're labeled money makers, my friend. Yeah, I'm adding Sunrun to the list, man. Let me find a price that I think is going to be like a reasonable price to buy, because I see this here. It's like a reasonable amount of resistance. Nothing crazy. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. 58.
I totally forgot, to be honest with you. Getting out.
I'm John.
Right. Nice to meet you,
It's a full house in here today, guys. You guys got so lucky. Oof. All right, Sunrun price. Let's see, baby. Let's see. What do we got? What do we have? See, this is the area of resistance I really like. What's up, Julie? Joining the chat. Oh,
Just kidding.
said you're done here, Julie. All right, what do we got? 51.69. Let me see about your Amazon order here too. It should be
I wanna open account too for that for a secondary. Anju has, but I don't have a password anymore.
You don't have
Better
Amazon?
Right now I have, but we have
yeah.
500 people, all community one. I don't want to do that. This is better.
There's 500 people.
Yeah, it's all business.
This is there's a hard bottom right here at 46.50, man. Fuck. It's a little bit low from this current price though at $51. So I think what we're gonna do here is I think that I'm going to set something a little bit below that, right? Even if I don't get that absolute bottom, I'm not gonna like shit my pants. I'm just gonna deal with it. But I do want to be kind of quick about it. I do want to get the stock. I don't want to miss out on it. So we're gonna have to find like a miniature line of support in between that support. 50, no. Bing. 49.37, and we fucking have it. 49.37. So right now 51. 69. But we need that 49. $37. Okay, let's set a fucking limit order then. We're gonna go over to Thinkorswim. Sorry, I'm not gonna show you guys that I'm setting a limit order, but Sunrun buy. $49. Let's do 47 so we don't. Sometimes those lines are so hard. If you see an actual resistance where it's like really sitting on that line, where you use the highs, lows, whatever. If you do it like dead nose on the needle, sometimes you might not get it filled. Sometimes it'll go below. You can even do it below. But to be honest with you, if I really want something, if I really want to stock it, and I don't want to fret about 10 fucking cents or 15 cents, I put the limit above it. Okay, that way I can ensure that if it is going in the direction of that fucking support, it will hit my order no matter what, even if it doesn't. Because there's nothing worse than seeing it come within 3 cents of support. If it does do and your order doesn't get filled, and you're sitting there and you're like, "Fuck, man, for 3 cents, really? Like that's what I'm bitching about? Terrible." Anyways, we're putting an order in for a lot of, not a lot, but I mean like a lot isn't an order of Sunrun here. Putting the order at 49.47. All right, it's just a simple 10 cents above. Actually, we're gonna do 49.47. That's it. That's perfect. Perfect. We're gonna keep it at that. We're gonna send this shit. We're gonna see what's happening. We're gonna put GTC instead of day. I don't want to have to watch it because I want this order for the next like at least week. I don't want to have to keep doing it every fucking day. GTC. We always do GTC extended. Always, man. And Thinkorswim 13 hour. It's the key. The key. The reason why, after hours, baby. Pre-market. You need it. So I put a little order for Sunrun, see if I can squeeze a little bit of money out of it, Yeah, man. So All right, so Sunrun is going to be the one we're adding on the list. What else? Let's go back to the old bar chart here for us. ATOM, baby. Man, skills, come on, skills, please, please, please. 1820's going the other fucking way now. Fuck. Oh, sorry guys. Ooh, dude, microvision. We gotta set up a buy order on that too. I really want to scoop it. Yeah, I think it'll be a good scoop though, honestly. I think it can go a little bit lower. I think this microvision, I don't think we've seen like the lowest of it yet. It's going pretty low here, to be honest with you, but I think this is where it's going to, 14. 14 range, man. I think it's going to complete the downward slope of this little triangle, but that's what we're looking at. I'm looking at 14. 1467. Yeah, man. The market is down. That is correct, Uncle B. That is correct. Let's see what Weeble has to say for yourself. Fuck. The decliners overtook the advancers, man. Oh. That's bad. Let's look at this index chart. Oof. Biden affect this over, dude. Biden is... Dude, so thoughts on hedging this downturn? I mean, there's not a lot you can do, right? Because at this point, if you have anything that's in profit, I would take it now. That would be my first... That's the first step in hedging. Is anything that's in profit as it stands, I would take it. And then I would try and reposition. So anything else that you're going to be holding long term that you don't want to sell for whatever reason, because you're not in profit, not in enough profit, or just flat out losing money, you're going to hold that. But with the profit that you made today, you're going to look for another reposition, because that's what a down market brings you is another opportunity, right? And that's what you want to look for. Basically, everything is for sale, dude. That's correct. Everything gets a little bit fucked up when this market's red like this. I don't know what. I mean, NASDAQ just broke even now. It was in the positive all day. Look, it started so high, man. From back here, oof, all the way at one point, it's 1.1% up for the day. Now we're like hovering barely, like they're like $2 up. Come on, $2 Chuck. Whew, we need to walk over to the 7-Eleven and get a Rambo or one of those 3D energies. I don't know, those things are terrible. But you know what? I'm waking up early in the morning, working up. Should I buy options or equities? Well, there's a giant difference between the options and equities. First of all, the equities are the stocks in a company, basically indicating one share of ownership in the company divided by however many shares that there are, right? Secondly, the option is it's on the equity, so the options cannot exist without the equity. You get what I'm saying? So what happens is you wind up having these options that are going to be like, they're for you to basically buy 100 shares of a company at a certain price. If the stock's at $10, you're expecting it to go up to $12. You want to buy this option at guarantee that the price is going to go to, say the price goes to 15, it guarantees that you can get these at $12, 100 shares of them. So it's complicated. That's something I would have to do like a little bit more in depth of an explanation on to explain what the difference is. But if you don't know that much about options, I would not recommend buying an option right now, just because you do have to educate yourself pretty extensively on it. The stock market as a whole, right? But options fucking especially, man. They are so difficult comparatively to equities. But you can make a lot more. You make a lot more. So what I would buy if I were you, it depends. If you see a good setup on an equity, dude, get it. Something that's going to be down, like, say if it's something that you had that you just, NASDAQ is in the red now. Something that you had previously that you sold. Like, I'm looking at all the stocks that I sold in the last, like, 2 weeks, right? There were a lot of stocks, man. I probably sold, like, 26 different equities in the last 2 weeks. And I'm still watching them. I'm watching that list that I made because why not? I want to buy some of those back. Like, the companies were good. I sold them, some of them at loss, some of them in profit. So the price is still, regardless, is still lower than where I sold them at. So I feel fortunate in that aspect. And the other aspect is I don't want to let them go. Some of these companies are good companies. I want to get back into them. So I'm going to wait for a lower price. And I think this is providing that too, you know? Yes, this is true. Options expire every Friday. Friday and Friday only. However, that's not actually technically always true, I don't believe. I had an option one time for a Monday. I know it was going to sound wild, but it was on, I think it was on SPY. I think it was on SPY, man, to be honest with you. Let's look at this option chain. April. See, they have some of these weird fuckers. Look at this. May 5th, 2021. When's May 5th, 2021? I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out. May 5th, 21. Friday, right? That's an expiration on a Friday. That one's perfect. However, if you go over to the May 7th one, the fuck is that? Like, how? It expires on a Sunday? You see this right here? You see these options on SPY? This is weird. I haven't really seen anything like this, but I do know that I had. See, this is the 10th. This is probably what I had right here. Something similar to this. So I had a call that expired on a Wednesday, or a Monday rather. I bought a call that expired on a fucking Monday for SPY. I don't know how. I don't know why, but that's how their contracts end. So ADT. ADT was a nice looker. I think that's going to be a slow growth one too. But we're going to see, man. Let's check. Let's check the what's happening in the world here. EDR, man. New stock alert. EDR. Endeavor Group. No chart data, no option data. Let's go to chart, baby. Honestly, this is looking pretty good, this Endeavor Group Holdings. Like, I feel like I want to buy some because I like the fucking UFC, to be honest with you. I think they're doing really good right now. I think it's really hot. I think once they start reporting income, it's gonna be a big move, you know? Yeah, 100%. I'm gonna buy some. We're gonna do it. We're gonna buy some of this EDR. We're setting up an order right here. EDR Endeavor Group, baby, 2540. That looks like they just IPO'd. Fuck it. Let's see what we can do. 2540. How many are we gonna get at that price? Yeah. Why not? Set it for 25.15, baby. We're gonna do a 25.15 limit order purchase, baby. EDR. Let's go. Ooh, it ate that shit right up. Limit GTC. No, we want to do in the day. We don't want to do this bullshit after hours. We're gonna do 23. Readjust at 25.23. Could probably get the 15, honestly, but I'm gonna hold it off. All right, baby. Let's go with this EDR, dude. This would be a great scoop, to be honest with you. I really, really like that Endeavor is the owner of the UFC, man. I'm telling you, that's like a huge, huge business right now. They just had their first fight. That was like, I don't know where it was, Jacksonville maybe? But there was like the first one they had since with people there. You know, all the other ones were like fucking empty. These fighters were fighting in like empty arenas. So now this was the first one, and it was fucking packed, man. Tickets were going for like 10K. It was a banging card, some amazing knockouts, like a lot of star power there that night. Jake Paul, everybody knows that douchebag was there. So it's like, $25. Come on, baby. Scoop it, scoop it, scoop it, scoop it, scoop it. Let's go. All right, here we go. What do we got? What do we got? It's Coinbase worth buying since banks and financial firms are getting involved? You know, I don't know if Coinbase is worth buying itself, but I think the cryptos are worth buying. I think Coinbase is going to be a tough sell in a lot of ways. They have great income, to be honest, but I just don't know that. Who the fucking analysts gave them these ratings? They've been out 5 seconds, dude. Come on. Yeah, but they have great income, man. Look at this. Look at this. $1.28 billion income their total revenue. That's nice. It's real nice. And especially the more crypto goes up. I'm assuming Coinbase makes their money on transactions, right? Transaction fees. Like every time you send a fucking Bitcoin or do anything with a Bitcoin or any crypto on their website is going to cost you, right? So I'm thinking that it might not be a bad idea. Fuck this, dude. I'm just gonna buy it at this price, man. I'm gonna adjust my order. I'm not gonna make it as tight. Give me 35. I don't care about that 10 cents, dude. I don't want to be greedy. Let me get this shit in here.
Okay.
Anyways, I'm gonna take a little break from the stream right now. Go get myself a little drink. I'll keep the camera running. All right, chat. We are back. We are back. We said get a little Red Bull too, also unsponsored. You know. Come on, what happened? Any new poppers while I was gone? Shift Pixie. We knew about this company from before. It came out of nowhere though. What the fuck? I still didn't get this EDR. It didn't fill. Dude, this EDR will not go down, man. I really want it. Come on, baby, this is it. This is it. So we're gonna get that filled.
What's that? Okay.
No. I think it's just wrong address, you know. Dude, this EDR, man, come on.
See, net sales rose 3% year over year, 6.2 billion, beating the forecast 4.75 billion. That means it's 1.4 billion. Okay. Profit 373, that means almost. Believe that price should be 780. They are saying it should be $7.80.
Which one is this?
Nokia.
That's what the analyst recommendation is?
What is a 5-ball
Fibonacci.
extension?
Fibonacci extension tool. So the Fibonacci is a mathematical equation based off of a spiral. Okay?
Right.
And so when you use that in the stock market, it's like it predicts like next highest highs and lows and things like that. So what they're saying is the next price target should be 780 based on the Fibonacci extension. But who knows how accurate it is, the Fibonacci. Vince liked it. Vince used to talk about it. So looks like our EDR order filled.
What is ADR?
EDR is a company that just IPO'd today. It's called Endeavor Group Holdings.
Oh, they got the IPO today?
Yeah, they own the UFC. You know, those cage fights.
Oh. Yeah, that's the one I bet. With the
Z's?
yeah,
Oh yeah, did you win?
I don't know who won. Which one I,
Nigerian guy.
so you bet on Nigerian guy?
I think so.
Yeah. So it should show in my account, right?
It should. Can you log in through your phone or no?
Yeah. Let's see. Sign up. Okay.
Come on, skills, dude. Yes, it's going back down. I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it, B. If you watching this shit, skills going down.
It says screen name, email, password.
Oh, you have to sign back in, Sergio.
Oh,
See, Sergio, I got this
which one?
live stream going.
Good. Watching this crap, I don't know. Should go at least $6. If you would if it says 780
Nokia?
Nokia.
It should. I mean, I looked them up this morning too. So they do a lot of business in the
But what it
5G
is,
world,
right.
right? They don't like their phones are not their business anymore.
So 5G is the future anyway, right?
So far, till 6G comes out.
It's coming 6G? No.
No, I said until 6G
And
comes
yeah,
out.
it will take at least a couple of years.
Oh,
to
sure.
talk about 6G.
Because
Yeah.
think about we had 4G for maybe like 7 years before
Right.
5G came out, you know? Maybe
Yeah.
at least.
So I think
Let's look up at the big board here. Here we are, Sergio. Say hi.
who is
It's
that?
Papa Sergio. That's the main man. That's you and
Nah.
I right there.
I know.
You see? Live stream.
The live streaming.
Oh,
to
yeah.
the
There we
public.
have a couple people. Exactly. We don't have anybody in. We have 3 people in the chat right now.
It's okay,
But
it's good. Nothing wrong with it.
no, we're just starting. So they can see what we're going over right here. I've been showing them a little bit. We have this mic here. The quality sounds good. So we can go over, like, look, we'll start with skills. I showed them I put these limit orders up here. So I got skills set so I can buy it at, what, $15.70 it's a price. It's a steep price, but we'll see if we can get it. So then we can shift back and forth, Sergio, to, like, look.
It says skills right here. This is the one, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here.
Yeah.
Why it says $1.92? SKLZ, right?
Skills at the bottom. I don't know what the hell that one is, but look at the bottom
Oh,
left.
this one, right? Okay. 1773. Now, what is this? Because it says,
I don't know.
see?
It's a long ass ticker symbol though. You see at the top it's like 0.22, 105, 1C.
Oh. And then DM, look, it pumped really good and went down. All my stars are G-Box, thank God, it's pumping. I got some for Julie. Should I sell it and buy back? And
Is she up in G-Box?
Yeah, she made over $1,000. So what do you want to do? Sell it and buy
Let me
it
look,
back?
let me look, let me look.
Take a look.
Alright, we're gonna scope it out, dude. It would have been nice to sell it at $11.
I think so.
Yeah, because it hit that 11.10 and then pinged back down. So if I were her, I would set a limit order for 11, like around 11 bucks.
$10.99 already?
Yeah, maybe. Maybe it might even go over that, but I would just get rid and then see if we can get it back. Because what price did she buy it at originally?
990 or something like that.
Yeah, she got it at a good price. G-Box is another good one, man. Their 52-week high is 2078, so she's over, like, she made $1,000 already now. Imagine she's gonna have double value if that thing goes back to the high, you know?
Yeah, that's what I'm dreaming about.
Maybe she should hold. Maybe she should just hold longer. She's gonna have to just be okay with seeing the price go up and then go back down, though.
No,
You know?
I know. She's smart. Great. I got Bingo fell in another 12,000 shares today. That's now I got what? 34,000 shares of Bingo. I'm down 32,000. So you talk about $1 more. 760 is my cost.
760
What's your cost?
on what?
You made some money and got out, right?
I'm out.
You're out? You're no more with Bingo?
Oh no! I thought you said G-Box.
No, Bingo. You're out on D-Box?
Yeah,
Why?
because I'm gonna get back in too. But I didn't buy it back when it was 9.
No?
No, but I made good money on it though. So my cost on Bingo sucks. 696. It's not terrible,
Same
but
thing. Me too. I'm almost, same price.
yeah.
G-Box, I am almost.
You almost
my
out?
cost is $15. My cost.
Oh, so it's $10. Okay. Did you double down when it was low?
No, I didn't. That was my foolishness.
It'll come back. You'll get your price back out of G-Box, no doubt.
This one is pumping up. IPSI. It's went to almost 20% and went back to 15% now.
IPSI,
You know how many shares I have?
How many?
Think.
1 million?
404,000.
404,000. That's so ridiculous.
You think this damn thing will hit $1? What's that 52-week high?
52-week high is 36 cents.
Even at least that damn thing goes to 36 cents. I'm
Yeah.
happy.
Yeah, you'll be doing well
This
for
one
sure.
is what? There's some kind of a.
Yeah, it's a payment system.
I think that's the future. Don't you think so?
100%. Let's see. They just got some news today, 2 hours ago.
Payment Solution signs an agreement with the payment processing company.
Where are we gonna go? We're gonna read this Seeking Alpha. I've reached the free article limit. Man, fuck you, Seeking Alpha. If you guys see this stream ever, give me a free subscription. Jesus Christ. We can't deal with that, man.
Okay, let me see. PSI, right?
Yeah. We're gonna go to Thinkorswim. They'll have the answers.
You can even go to what do you call the Weibo.
That's where I just was, but it hit it with Seeking Alpha. I ran out of my free articles on Seeking Alpha. Seeking Alpha sucks though, honestly.
36 cents before it goes or what?
There we go.
230 before. Neutral.
Innovative Payment Solutions, IPSI, a Southern California-based fintech company focused on building a 21st century digital payment solution, IpsiPay, today announced that it has signed a service agreement with Red Efectiva, a payment processing company based in Monterrey, Mexico. Red Efectiva is a leading service provider and payment processor in Mexico with over 2,500 locations. Red Efectiva offers more than 150 services such as domestic bill pay, prepaid airtime on mobile phones. This agreement with Red Efectiva will strengthen innovative. Okay. So they're building their presence in Mexico, I guess.
So
It's good though because their Mexican payment, mobile POS payments, has reached 8.5 billion in 2020, which is more than double 2019's numbers. So it's a big business, mobile payments. You get what I'm saying? So it's a good sector that they're going into Mexico. I don't know how high they're going to rise from there, but I think that inevitably it's going to hit $1. I mean, come on. Let's see what their website looks like. IpsiPay.
moving average says 8 people say buy, 6 say sell, 1 neutral. Relative strength index. Sell, buy, motherfuckers. Come on. We need some. Yes. You never know. This can bump a couple of dollars and we can make $1 million.
You're right. You're right. Absolutely right. I mean, look at it. The company looks to be like somewhat reasonable. I don't know what their income looks like, if any. It doesn't really show anything. But that could be because they're OTC. Sometimes OTC companies don't report their income like.
Let's go to
Yeah,
here.
well.
Financials, right here. There you go.
That's what I'm saying. You're probably not going to
Okay.
see anything.
Income statement, 6 million. Balance sheet, 6.15 million. 2019, it was 0.15 million to 6.15 million. It's pumping up.
Yeah,
See, I mean, within 1 year, it went around how many 1,000%?
that's true.
Correct?
That's true. They
So,
increased from, but they're still not that much.
I know. Still, let us see. Cash flow around 1.5 million. Operating, investing 1.22. What is here? 1.1 million. Operating, investing is 1. They are invested only 1.22. Okay, how much is the? Investing 50K, that's it. Revenue 0, net income 5.44 million, profit margin 0. Total assets 1.8 million, total liabilities 1.6 million, debt assets 155%. About here it is total assets 193K, total liabilities 1.6, debt assets. Okay, looks.
Wow, that EDR dropped.
Which one?
That EDR, that one I just bought. I picked it up at 25 something. It's 23 something now. It just dropped heavy.
IPO is a kind of tricky.
Yeah.
Be careful. Remember the coin
Mm-hmm.
went to 430, then went back to 300. So some motherfucker made millions of dollars and run home.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold this shit. It's good. Either way, you know what? You know why either way? Because they own their most important thing is they own the UFC. Okay? The UFC is bang. Like they just had their first live event that they haven't had in the years since pandemic started. It was sold out. Sorry, you couldn't even get tickets to this thing, you know? Come on. That's a good business. Like, I don't give a shit. The IPO might not hold well right now, but we're going to hold it.
DPW.
I think largely the market's pretty red, though.
I know. Let's keep going down, Bingo. Come on, please. Don't do this to me. What do you think about CLRB?
Select Star?
Huh?
Select Star, you're saying?
Yeah.
I mean, it has really high analyst ratings.
Huh?
So it has really high analyst ratings.
That means? What thing?
I don't know. It's holding low, though. I don't know. I think it'll pop, but right now is not the
What
time.
is the analyst says? The high how much? How much is the high and medium?
$10 high, median is $5.98, and the low is $3.
Even
based on 5 analysts. So yeah, I don't know. This IPSI though too, you're right, is really low. It's fucking EDR, dude.
how much is the IPSI? Is there any analyst saying anything about it?
No, it's too low to have an analyst rating.
Okay.
He's like 13 cent ones, but to be honest with you, I mean, it's all going to depend largely on like how much money they start making and how well integrated their shit becomes. But here would be a good thing for them. Imagine if you held them until they got to like 50, 60 cents or $1,
Uh-huh.
and then they make a move from going from the OTC markets to the NASDAQ. You get what I'm saying? That's what we
Yeah.
want. Because that's what happened to G-Box. Remember we got G-Box for like 150 something or $1.50 something? That, honestly, Sergio, we would have got that when it was low and held that shit until it went to $20. Oh, it would have been such a good profit, you know? Such a big swing. Those are the kinds that I'm trying to do this year. I want ones that are like big momentum movers like that.
Estimate minus 10, minus 14, 20. Oh, maybe. When is the earnings coming on this?
CLRB, you're saying? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Saju, CLRB, Select Star Biopharm.
I need a couple of good pops.
We do need a couple of good pops. You're right about that.
I'm holding thousands and thousands of fucking shares. Oh my god. Millions of dollars minus. Pissing me off. Glue. What's happening, kiddo?
How are you doing, young man?
Something good?
Yes.
Great.
May 6th, Sarju.
May 6th?
Yep.
I
Who's
hope
that?
It come out with a good
CLRB.
I got 50,000 shares. I make a couple of bucks on that. I'm happy.
A couple of $2-3.
You want some coffee, Sarge?
Definitely, Chris. Thank you.
I got you. Says definitely. We gotta get you another big old box of coffee, B. We gotta go to,
Oh man, so you're not still get these free.
yeah, right.
Where do you guys get it?
Costco?
Costco.
We should get it more. BXRT pumped to $11, then went back. What do you think? There's a BXRT is having a Washington meeting with big boys. You know that, right?
No, I didn't know that.
Read the news. Fucking May 3rd to May.
Yeah, XRT.
Jesus.
It's going to be 50. It's going to be 50. That's Sarge, you doing that to me, man.
Nah, your prediction happens, Chris. What do you think? I don't underestimate you. It's gonna hit 50. Yeah.
This is the. What's up, dog?
Here we go, dude.
Yeah. Okay, what is the news? It's there in Washington.
That one I sent you.
What did the analysts say? It's around $20.
1333 is the average. Put it based on 3 only.
Really? But
So-
did you see the latest news?
That's what I'm looking at right now.
I know. If I would have cashed out that 700, I would have.
All right, let's move over here, Chad. We're gonna check out the news on Vaxxer. Sarju's insisting that it's good news. Presented at the World Vaccine Congress, Washington, 2021. That is good. Clinical stage biotech company developing oral recombinant vaccines that are administered by tablet rather than by injection.
I ain't even double down. I'm just watching it. I am.
Oral vaccine. If that happened, this damn thing will be sitting on $100.
Yeah,
If that happened.
You thought it was gonna drop down.
that's true.
But God always protected me.
Like
Plus,
profit.
Uncle B's prediction got to happen. How many shares I have? Should I buy more?
I look at the option
Oh,
chart
not now.
and see how the volatility was on the option chart. There's probably volatility, and I see on each of those ones, strike price, how they was dropping. I said, I gotta look at the put side. I see the implied volatility.
I like that. That's slick right there.
Everybody was
Vaxxer
selling.
oral COVID-19 vaccine. Hold the ice and the needles.
So did they? It's ready to go, or what's the story?
No.
Ah.
I think they're still working on it.
So that they are asking Washington to help.
I think they just have this. There's this meeting, all right?
What's the
It's the World
ticket again?
Vaccine Congress.
Eh?
It's like a
FAMI.
World Vaccine exposition, I believe. I don't know if it's an exposition, but
I heard
form of
Pfizer is going to
meeting.
come up with an
Family
oral
Wealth,
vaccine.
Bitcoin family.
I'm sure. I don't see why they wouldn't. I mean, is there any other oral
You
vaccines?
said F is in
I
Fred,
hope
right?
this
For any other
VXRT
things?
come, you know,
A is-
I got
Anybody know?
21,000 VXRT, so I support
Yeah,
VXRT,
the
not
Bitcoin
Pfizer.
family.
So about VXRT, what is that? Clinical
Yeah,
stage of
family was crypto
developing oral vaccine based on
F is in Fred, A is in Amy, M
designed
is
to
in
be
Mary, I is in
using
Eagle, right?
without refrigeration.
Yeah, it's a Bitcoin.
Currently
It's the Bitcoin.
Yo,
Bitcoin family
the whole crew coming
slash
today,
rap
brothers.
ether.
Oh, Sergio?
everything good, kiddo?
Yeah.
We are going to
Welcome,
make you
welcome.
some oral vaccines. We don't want no injection, so we are working on it.
Literally nothing.
See, like,
Washington,
Hold on, hold on.
This-
Oral
this-
waxing?
No financial.
Vaccine.
instead of injection,
Oh!
instead of
Oral
inject-
vaccine. I thought you
Yeah.
said waxing. I'm like, how they gonna do that?
No, do you know his V's and his W's are backwards?
There's nothing on it.
So because I'm especially making a phone call, they're going to go to
Explore our
Washington.
proprietary
John.
delivery.
Third
That's all it
Monday,
says.
so Henry didn't get vaccine. There's a biscuit like only oral shit. Monday.
You
guys like the needle.
Do
you like needle?
7780.
already got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
You said
Late.
F is in family,
Call them. Don't go to
A
vaccine.
is in Amy, M is in Mary, I is in Eagle. Yeah, it's the same one.
Oh my
Henry, you
goodness.
disappoint me, kiddo.
I mean, I don't mind.
What is that? Is that on phase one? Or where are we now?
COVID-19 phase 1.
Oh,
Milestones, they completed phase 1.
So they really complete. So phase two will be a very critical thing.
Or does that say that their goal is to complete it? I think it's a
Okay,
milestone
we'll do it
means they
again.
already hit it.
Alright.
See our current pipeline. I thought that was the current. There we go.
Okay.
COVID-19
You said
phase. So they haven't completed
FAMI,
phase 1. They're
right?
midway
Yes.
through phase 1.
What
Yeah.
is the one that complete
It's coming
phase
up
two?
there.
What is that?
This one is
System
monovalent. It's just seasonal flu vaccine. But these are all prophylactic.
Okay, we'll do it again.
What does prophylactic mean? Who got a goddamn dictionary nearby? Anybody got a dictionary nearby? We got Google
Yeah,
prophylactic.
yeah, hold on. Let me check something else.
I don't know, dude.
I'll make sure.
Intended to prevent disease. So why does it say sex? Oh, so I think they just use prophylactic most commonly as like condoms.
Really?
Yeah, because it's like to
Henry,
prevent.
you use
disease.
condom? Sometimes.
I got my pull-out game is strong.
You ain't missing that prophylactic part though, bro. That's the no disease part.
Now go to Pfizer. They are trying to get oral
it's
vaccine
popped
too. So is that true or not? Because Indian
Actually,
news
I
are
should-
spreading.
yeah.
From India, I got the video.
Man, you know, I feel like
Right now, technical.
Pfizer is gonna like,
Fucked
It's
up.
down 56.
yeah, it's gonna curse my computer by going to their
Oh, I
website.
got still. If
It's
it goes to
a strong
$41, I don't lose
Or-
money. I'll take my money and
Yeah,
run
1 minute
because
to 5
I lost
minutes,
money
yeah.
before. I
1
bought it
minute
back
chart.
again, but it's not moving. I
See,
got till
oh, see,
July.
They're a big dog. They're not even like
5
pipeline.
minute chart.
They're like, look at this shit. They got product listing. Look at their products, man. A through fucking Z.
All sales on
Look at all these
Why the
products.
fucking stock is not moving then?
I don't know,
They are
man.
printing dollar
Not
bills.
literally. Let's look
And
at.
nobody want to buy their fucking
Let's
stocks.
go back. Let's go back at their
Our
income,
chart.
dude. Let's see what this shit
Oh yeah,
is.
billions. 41 billion. How many?
41 billion. You're right.
All the
41
moving
billion
averages,
dollars
options,
they made
sale.
last year.
4 hours.
Still nothing, dude. You know why? Sarju? Because the year before that they made 41 billion, and the year before that they made fucking
Yeah, even on
40
the,
billion,
moving
and then the year
averages,
before that they made
oscillator,
52
in
billion.
Summary.
Hey, that's not that good that they're making 41 this
The
year,
one
because
day,
they made 52 like 3 years ago.
All sale.
Even though they went through all this vaccine
week.
crap, still all the
Look
money
at all
will be
this shit.
coming.
Look at all these drugs. The vaccine is like
Everything.
Nothing.
Yeah, and not only that, to be honest with you,
They are producing oral vaccine for search.
Oh.
Oral vaccine for the COVID. Right there.
Hell no, it says.
Put it there. Oops. Oral
Sell,
vaccine for
sell,
COVID.
No buys at all.
How would that work?
You are.
No result?
no.
Then why this fucking
Oh, that's
I
a
got
good
the
thing.
news.
No, there's got to be Pfizer.
Oral vaccine.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's see what they got. Oral drug to stop COVID could be ready next year. Oh, they'd be like, you know what, dude? Come by every year, same time. Take the COVID vaccine. It's just like a little fucking pill, in and out.
Oh, they did
It's a money racket, Sergeant. Money racket, man.
They're selling it.
How was that
Oh.
Yeah, so they said the earliest could be by end of the year. Most likely, probably not, though, right?
Is there a reason
So
why
that
they
means
said they were selling
EXRT
it?
will bring before them.
Yeah, the public offering.
Potentially,
yeah.
no, they're
I
in
hate when
phase
they do
one,
that. I
too.
don't fuck with no company that do that.
They're both in
It
phase
pisses
one.
me off.
You know what I'm saying? Look,
Will it-
Pfizer
like,
initiates phase
who
one
did
study
that?
of novel
Did it
oral
first?
antiviral therapeutic agent against
No, that's
SARS-CoV-2.
what Royal
Okay.
Kennedy did
Remember.
that to me the first time I
Novavax,
saw it.
for
My
example.
shit just-
Still the fucking vaccine not ready. The stock is 230.
Novavax had the biggest fucking gain, right, of last year.
I made good money, thank God. But what I'm trying to say is, same way, PXRT,
I just got it
new
from
scan
Penny.
pump
Look at it
can
now.
go to 30, 40 bucks.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
You're right. What other drugs does Novavax have?
Same thing, this crap. This one, the reverse split. I had 100,000 shares, went to 8,000 shares.
Yeah, but
Became
look,
$2, and I was sitting there and scratching my fucking head. I said, I'm not going to sell it. Let me wait and watch. Made me $3/4
Oh, the
of a
full
million.
seven.
Damn.
Yeah, I was here when it went to 398. I think it's gonna get lower.
8,000 shares become $185. I sold it.
I told Chris.
Fucking
I told
out.
Chris, I scooped
Out.
it. It's $3.
But I don't want to sell it. I would have waited.
you would have held.
President Putin and the daughter got a vaccination. Everything is good. Fucking
Yeah, I
news
scooped
come.
it over.
It was
$3.
220 going in front of me. I just jumped out.
Yeah.
Fucking motherfucking
But look at-
Putin. I don't like Putin.
That's my dad. You don't keep
But look at Novavax.
235.
235, right? Check this out. We're gonna go back by the hourly, all the way back to
How much? $2, $3? Right?
yep.
That's what
Look
I'm
right
saying.
here.
It's got a
Back in
reverse.
2014, 2020, it was like 795.
Then it reverse split.
When did it reverse split?
Uh,
No, then 2019 it reverse split.
yeah.
So this was in 2020. You could have picked it up.
I didn't pick. I picked up before. Novavax was on
Oh,
18
shit.
beginning.
Like, look here. If you would have bought it in,
How much?
and this is January of 2020.
$4 or $5. I
Three
bought.
nine.
Chris
Yeah,
bought it
that's
too.
the price I was in. Yes.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Hell yeah! So here's the thing with this one. This is Novavax. Look at their income though.
365. Fuck, nothing. Garbage. They don't
No,
have
their income is good.
What?
Look,
How many million? 44 billion is the fucking Pfizer. How much?
475 million, right?
It's nothing.
I know. It isn't compared to Pfizer, but it is compared to last year. They did 18 million in 2019. They did 34 in 2018. They did 31 in 2017. 15 in 2016. And then last year they did 475. Think about that increase of income.
They're nearly
More than 10 times. You know? That's the key. That's why Novavax shot up like so ridiculously much. It's like, look at this. Their income year-on-year return was 2,448% increase. That's a big increase. You look at companies like Pfizer, theirs was a 1.79% increase. Fucking nothing. So yeah, compare it to Pfizer. But look at Pfizer's market cap. It's 214 billion. Novavax is only 17 billion. So, yeah.
But Pfizer got 100 different drugs.
Thousand different
This
drugs. Yeah,
motherfucker-
easily 100.
Yeah.
Easily 100. Look, this is A right here. This how many are in A, all their drugs. Look at, let's go to, we got to go to V, see where they started right here, Viagra.
Oh yeah, they make money on
That was the one who they
Right.
originally got them like pretty popular. Then I think they had, what is that, Norco or something similar to that. I don't know what the brand name is.
God.
Novavax, I don't know. Yeah, they got a lot of drugs. But Novavax is one like that too. So we're gonna go back over here though. The day is getting worse, man. This was at 3,600 not that long ago on the decliners. Now it's at 3,800. When we started the day, Sarju, this was 3,800 advancers. Now it was opposite. And you see here how big the bar is. This are all 2% to 5%. These are all 10% to 5%. Like 373 in this one, the losing. Only fucking 29 on this side right here. It's terrible. Terrible, Sarju.
Okay. My next question to you is, what should I do with this fucking split? And they bought the company I show you, Pali.
Oh, PALI.
Yeah, should I sell it?
Yeah, we're gonna figure out what to do with that. So, what kind of split did you get on that?
I don't know. I had 1,000 shares.
428.21, so 6. 1. You got a 1 for 6.
Yeah, I had 133 fucking. It was a SNCA. The stock name was what? Seneca?
Yeah, SNCA.
Yeah, that became 0. It was $66. Now it is 133 shares or 38. I cannot see. Thank you. How many? 133? Right? No, that's Pfizer. Fucking Pfizer.
Yeah, 133.
133. So 1,000 shares become 133. Still, I am $1,000 up.
So it was a 1 for 6 split. All right. So they hit you with that. And what is it? 846.
Now
Yeah,
819, 805, 819 trading.
819.
Somebody bought them, or what is the story? Who bought it? Why
They
it is-
merged. They merged. It was a merger between this company Palisades and Seneca
How is that?
Biopharma.
Okay, now what is the background? How much is the cap rate and all those kind of a thing?
Market cap is only 23 million. It shows.
What company is that?
Yeah.
Remember SNCA bought by Pali?
Oh,
were
yeah.
split.
Yeah. So it used to be formerly Seneca Bio.
Now still
Focus on acute and chronic gastrointestinal problems for post-operative digestive enzyme
Crohn's
damage.
disease.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crohn's disease.
whatever the fuck it is, you gotta let me know. Should I stay or get out?
We have to figure out this price.
What is the Viva says? 8?
Yeah, it's below at 890.
890?
Yeah.
Could go to $99. I'm out.
We have to figure out how much you're gonna make on it or lose on it. You get what I'm saying? We have to determine what your
I'm
cost
already
is.
$1,000 up. If it go another 90 cents, I may make maybe $1,800 or something.
That's true.
Without asking me, they had a merge and split and all the fuck. But the Viva was very high before, right? 10
Yeah.
bucks or something.
Yeah, it was earlier. When it started out here, it was like
And
980.
same thing with fucking RLX. It went up to 12 bucks. Now it's fucking 11 bucks.
Chris, dude, skills hit 1744, bro. The next one bringing that shit below 17, dude. I'm telling you right now, it's coming below 17 today. Today. Once it gets to
I
1570.
never understood fucking Zenga.
Chris can't either.
Yeah, we can't do it. Sorry, dude. It's nothing.
Glue.
No one gives
What
a shit
happened
about
to
Zinger
Glue?
either.
Nothing
The Glue,
happening.
same thing. No one gives a shit about them either. They get fucked up. You received a good faith violations.
Who?
Oh my god, that was me.
Seneca?
No, not in Seneca.
I always get.
It's a old. It's a old. It's a old. Do you really?
What is that thing?
Yeah. No, this is Weeble. Yeah. Dude, I like the interface on Weeble, I gotta say. I like that I can move all this shit, attach it, you know what I'm saying? Like, I can
Yeah, it's more
make it my
efficient.
own. Everything's like modular, you know? I can like put different things there, whatever I want.
It's more efficient. Right?
I think so, yeah. Let's go back to this market, dude. Check these gainers out. They're looking pretty shitty. Top gainers of the day. Jack Pacific, Galera. Yeah, this gainers list is like quickly dwindling.
God, give me some kind of an idea when to get in and when to get out. I'm pissed.
Give him an idea, Lord, please.
Ali, fucking my 1,000 shares become 133. Still the value is there. See, it doesn't say trade price. Net liquidation is fucking 1,000. That means I lost money. Oh, fuck. Okay. I bought it for a couple of bucks, I believe it. Yeah.
Yeah, I put a limit order on Microvision too to buy MVIS.
36, right? Oh, my cost was 260 something SNCA. So this damn thing had to go. Holy mother. 2060. I'm so stupid.
What's wrong?
Okay, I was doing the math. Okay, SNCA, my cost was 260 or something. Went down to 166, so I lost $1,300, right?
Okay.
Now the damn thing says I am profit 1,077. No.
Yeah, but what's the total value?
Oh, 11,000. No, that's something different.
That's your
Okay.
liquidation. So go back to SNCA.
Here, total value is fucking 1,077. That means $1.07 a share. I bought it for 260. How can they say that I have a player of the day and blah blah? This is
No, because they did a 1-for-6 split.
I bought it for 265, right?
How many
My-
did you have?
1,000 shares.
Okay.
Right now I got 133 shares for 1,000. And showing in a green, making me try to sell it. A lot of people look and maybe sell it because they think they made a profit.
Wait, how did you only get?
Okay, 1,000 divided by what? 6? How much?
Yeah, it's 166 though.
That's what I didn't understand. Maybe 800 divided by 6? Maybe about 800. Yeah.
Yeah.
How about my 0.33 shares?
They don't do fractional shares.
Then they should give me 134. So my money have no value?
Dude, they rounded down on you, Sergeant.
Yeah, fuck that shit.
They rounded down. Because they say, you know what, if we give everybody a share who's got a point in there, where the hell are we going to get all these shares from?
So they fuck me like a million people like me, 0.03. So they
Yeah.
made what? 3,000 shares?
Yeah, that's true. That's how they do it. That was their goal.
ACB was pumping yesterday. I was $500 up. Now I'm minus.
ACB.
Yeah, some options I bought. Can I say?
Okay, so we got to figure out this shit then. So what do you have to sell it at? What price do you have to sell it at to break even?
I think 2,000. It's got to be $16.
Can you click on the
Here.
old one?
The old one is right here. This one, right?
Oh yeah, click it.
Okay. $1.66 was before the yesterday's closing. I was minus 1,326. So
Can you
1,666.
click on it?
Yeah, I can click on it. Okay.
What does it tell you what you bought it at?
It doesn't say, but now it's everything is zero.
How do you show like your?
Okay, but they fucked it up. But I can do the math. Put 1,666.
1,660.
66 and 1,328 add it. 28. Yeah, that's my cost.
294. So divided by what did you have? 800.
$3 I bought. Yeah,
So 374.
is my cost.
Okay.
Now, 374 divided by 3, I mean 6. 62. So my cost is what?
No. So yeah. So you got 3.74. That's how much you paid per share
Per
times
share.
800.
Right.
So that's your cost of 2,992.
Almost $3, I think.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
right.
but yeah, what your current value is right now is what?
Okay, 299. Right now is 1,000. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
1,097 now. So
How much is it each share?
1,090 is 825.
825, and
I
you
have
have
only 133 shares.
8
So I lost $2,000.
times 133. So 1,097. Yeah.
I paid 3,000. I got 1,000. So you're talking about $1,900.
Dude, it has to go to like
No.
$24 a share.
Exactly. I'm fucked.
Extremely. I'm sorry to say. How did that happen?
I like Henry's style. Pull the condom out.
Hey man, you got.
Gotta feel it, right, kiddo?
Yeah man, it's like taking a shower. It's like taking a shower with clothes on. Like, it's like,
Exactly.
shit, man.
Oh, so there you go. You sell it at like, you don't even need to do all that. $23, Sarju.
I'm pissed
Times
off.
133. You make money.
I'm getting fucked all the way, up and down.
And just know like,
Mhm.
yeah, just-
2250. That's where you gotta dump it at.
That's not going to happen. Coming future.
Maybe it will. You don't know.
I know.
you're
I
trying to
know what
say
the
something.
fuck I'm talking. I got fucked.
So you're suggesting what?
Just hand job.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, it's
That's it, kiddo.
what is it right now?
Everything is flat. See, I'm holding a lot of biotechs. The damn thing won't move that sector. I'm fucked. Come on, God, give me a break. See, my Apple is doing good, my Tesla is okay. This fucking Elon Musk and all those motherfuckers creating a headache. Tell you.
Elon Muskie. Oh, Muskie boy.
I heard he's gonna he'll give $100 million for the first person to find out how to get rid of CO2 in the air.
To get rid of CO2 in the air,
Yeah,
How-
in the atmosphere.
he's like plant more trees. Like probably would help.
Well,
You know what I'm saying?
I know the secret. Tell him, give me 50 million up front. We will discuss. Okay, then
It's just
I
immediately.
will send Crispy. Crispy going to go with the trees and everything. I said, you know what? Every human being put 100 trees. Problem solved. Give me my 50 million. My boss is waiting there. Rest of the 50 million, please.
They should do that, honestly.
Yeah.
You should get a tax credit. Be like, listen, whatever your tax is, we're going to cut it by 25% if you plant 10 trees. Every person planted 10 trees in 1 year. We'll cut it by 25%.
That makes sense.
There's going to be a lot of money they're losing, but realistically, we're going to get a lot back in the lifespan of the planet. You get what I'm saying?
They don't want your lifestyle. They want you to be fucking eating medication and crying. Pfizer becoming rich. What do you think?
That's true.
They want you to be healthy, drink Red Bull, all the sugar, and get
That's
fucked.
true.
And, you know, the fuck you think?
Oh my God, dude.
There's a Ayurvedic Indian doctor was walking, so he saw a guy walking. So I said, John, where are you going? I'm going to the factory. What's in your hand? Oh, this is my wife cooked some fresh food, so while I get hungry, I can eat. So John, how about I give you some medicine? You will never feel hungry. How about that? I said, boss, I don't have money to pay your fees. You don't have to pay me fees. Give me that tiffin. As a fees, I'll give you the tablets. Did you get it? Right.
Dude, he traded his food for hunger.
Sadly, he's going to give the tablets to him. He have no money to pay for the tablets. He's taking his tiffin box.
Yeah.
So that's the reality of fucking
That's true.
life.
That is. That's how it is. I mean, think about all these people who are just like addicted to so many different pills. Not even like willingly addicted like that, but like their bodies are dependent on it at this
Yeah,
point.
they're custom
My
to it.
wife says some of the other doctors' patients by mistake, Leo, they couldn't get their file and come to her. She opened her file. She think fucking 100 to 90 tablets. They're eating like sandwich. She say even 80 should be gone and they don't need it. They go, what is your problem? I got pain here, doc. Okay, take this for 90 days. Gonna be fine. I got
Yeah.
pain here, doc. Oh, take this for a lifelong. Motherfucker. So they are hooked up.
Yeah.
A lot of people, they don't even know what for they are taking. Doctor said they are taking it.
That's
Then
true.
they got, that I took that tablet, I got numbness here. Huh? Take this too for another 94 days, your numbness will go away. This is what is happening. And all these Pfizers and Merck and Eli Lilly and everybody is printing money and all that. Good, okay.
That's
Yeah.
true. AstraZeneca,
Fine with the
they racking it up
Look
right
at
now.
this. Within a year, we found vaccine for corona, right? Do you think they cannot find within a year or two vaccine or some medicine for cancer? They want to, they can, but they don't
Yeah.
want to.
For what, cancer?
Yeah,
I don't get
they
cured for
want
that.
they want people to buy that chemo.
exactly. Chemo,
That's how you make money.
Exactly.
It's true, man. It's true. You don't make money the longer people live, you know? For a little bit, though. That's the thing. You want to be kept alive long enough, ideally. They don't want you to they don't want you to just come in and be like, something's terribly wrong with you and you to just die. You're like a lifelong customer. It's like, think about the car business. When they sell you a brand new car, a lot of times at these dealerships, they sell it at like break even almost. Nothing. They get maybe a manufacturer rebate, but they make shit. You wonder like how many, this car's dealership, they sell 120 cars a month. They only make, let's say on average, 2,000 cars, $2,000 per car. That's a lot on a car even too, to make that. That's not that much money, only $240,000.
$1,000, that's it.
It's the fucking service. What they did was they got the carpet.
Parts.
Exactly.
Then the financing, they hook a hose in your ass.
Yeah.
You don't have the money? No problem. Turn around, let me hook this hose. You fine. You sit on the hose and drive. But
It's true, and you're bleeding 29% to 22% APR.
people who have no credit and even me too. My agency says, "Oh, Mr. Nair, this woman have 620, husband got 650. 3 months deposit. I don't want to take any risk."
Yeah, of course.
Same way, most of the, especially Spanish people or immigrants came. They have no fucking money. So in here, how much is the interest? Don't look at all those. You're going to pay only $500 a month. I don't have 500. No? Okay. Bi-weekly 250. How about that?
Yeah. Bi-weekly.
Yeah, they,
Poor Mexican think, oh, not 500, it's only 250.
Yeah, literally.
Actually, they are making more money. Bi-weekly means 52 divided by 2 is 26
Yeah.
times they get, right?
Mm.
Right? Instead of 12 times 24, they made 2 more extra payment and they don't even tell you. They cut it in half your payments.
That's true.
That's a
That's
system.
true.
Yeah.
You're right. They fuck you up like that. No, it's
Oh,
more.
yeah. They put the Vaseline and everything. Sit down. Does it hurt? Slow. Let me put a little bit more Vaseline.
It's true.
that's
So
true.
the
It is.
system works.
Yeah. Gotta.
Then they put that system. They know where the car is. If you don't pay 2 days, 3 days, they strand you. You cannot drive.
Yeah.
Bring the money, motherfucker.
I heard about that. There was a dealership that was doing that. I think it was called Car Outlet.
Do they like? They just stopped the car, right?
They disable it. You cannot even move the car. You're fucked. You know how many my old employees and all come, oh, Professor Ju, can you lend me $500? I said, what happened? Oh, my car, I can't even start my car. So they pay. As soon as they pay,
No man. I'm gonna be hopping off. Take a little break here.
what is it?